Thank you so much, Dr. Krishna Kumar NG. Sir, welcome for the today's session. I'm happy to introduce Mr. Dr. Krishna Kumar NG, a mechanical engineer who holds a post-graduation and PhD in management with overall 39 years of experience. That too on hand-on and practical experience with business knowledge. He has held a top management, director post, managing director position in various industries. He has involved in different business sectors such as contract and construction services, manufacturing, trading, service, architecture, design engineering, and project management consultancy services. I think in simple word we can say one and all. He had set up a business in Singapore and UAE as well, not just in India. He is involved in delivery of building services project to residential, commercial, hospitality, industrial and infrastructure sectors. He has managed and delivered successfully companies with growth and profitability. Currently, he is running a self-owned business called Business Growth Consultancy Services to put to use his knowledge and skills to help companies grow bigger and better. Also a qualified, certified independent director, serves on the boards to limited companies as an independent director. He is an active speaker in Rotary, MSME forums, and business network forums. Sir, welcome to VBF today's session. Thank you so much. And the dance is yours. We are eager to hear you. Thank you so much.
Thank you. Thank you, Ashok. Thank you, Ravi, Jaitirtha, and friends. What I have been noticing is in the last few months, whenever we have seen some presentations, BBF on the platform, number of our business friends and business owners have been presenting their organization. They have been presenting their products and services. Recently, we have seen that some people wanted 1 hour for presentation, 1.5 hour presentation, 30-minute presentation. And what are you actually aiming at? Why are we why do you have to require 1 hour? Important element for any businessman is how clean, clear, crisp he can present his product and services, with which other person who is listening to it or seeing it benefits and knows your product and services and talks about your products and services. So I have few slides to present, and I'll make it interactive, not a one-way talk, so that it will not be boring. I will share the screen now. 1 minute. Okay, here we are. Slideshow mode. Okay, so now let's look at why do we do a presentation or a business presentation. So between sharing the screen and switching off, that will be easier for me to also view all of you. Everybody can go. Why do you want to do a business presentation?
Okay, sir. We present our slides and make a presentation to the known person or unknown person only to release all the confusions which are there with each others. Like maybe the subject or what we are selling, the products, it will give more idea to everybody who are there in the presentation. Okay. And more coordination with each and everybody in the meeting of the presentation will have a clear idea on each and every aspect of the product.
Thank you. Thank you. I didn't get your name. It is PWA.
My name is Pradeep Vadakeri.
Okay, Pradeep Vadakeri. Okay.
Thank you.
We have Ambika and Abhinandan. Let me start with the ladies first. Ambika ji. Okay, so we'll get back next time. Abhinandan.
Yes, sir. So according to me, I personally feel a presentation is the easiest way to communicate your product and service. It is a pictorial representation of what you want to do, what you want to deliver, what you can deliver. So I think it's a very crisp way of communicating what you can do, sir.
Okay, thank you, Abhinandan. More or less something, and including our Karthik also has mentioned that is to
And,
inform or tell more about your services. So let us see how exactly it would look like. One second.
since
Yeah.
we have a digital reach,
Yeah, digital reach or whatever.
Yes,
Why do we
we have
do a
digital reach.
presentation?
So presentation is a cost-effective method of reaching the people and marketing the services, products and services.
Okay, wonderful. Thank you. So let's look at it this way. This particular VBF platform is for the Wipro business people, the Wipro business forum, as we mentioned, where each one of us as the Wipro business person is trying to help another business person to grow his business or her business, to give correct referrals, give proper leads, so that the other Wipro will be able to increase his business. So now how can they increase your business? That is why you are trying to present your. So here when I'm using the word know about your business better, is all the Wipro who are participating on the business forum, or people who are connected otherwise through any other digital media, maybe on the Facebook or whatever. They should know your business better. So that is why you are making the business presentation. So another element is, when you are making your business presentation, it is not about just your products. People should know who are your likely customers, which is that particular customer segment you are addressing. 2 days back, I met one other gentleman, Ravi Chakravarti, of some other forum. He went on telling about electronic products. And then he says, please connect me to the right customers. So when I had asked him to go back and tell which is the customer he wants. So if he says, connect me to electronic customers. So how do you connect him to electronic customers? How many people will be able to know? Rather, if he tells that, please connect me to BEL, or connect me to some semiconductor complex, or connect me to Kionix specifically, or the customer names or the segments, it will be easier to connect it. Otherwise, it will be very vague. You will not get connections. And if you're not getting connections, you will feel depressed. You will feel unhappy. You will feel that this particular forum is not good at all. And then you will try to leave, or you start talking something negative about it. Now, all that has happened because you have not clearly told. If I have to tell clearly my business, if Jai Tirtha has to tell his particular business is printing or making standees or making some name boards, if he is able to put some pictures and very clearly tell, it will be easier for us. Otherwise, when you look at printing, we think Jai Tirtha is simply somebody into visiting cards or letterheads, and we start giving him references for visiting cards, may 300 rupees worth business. Why not we give him a 3,000 rupees worth business, or a 30,000 rupees worth business, which he is actually in, maybe like a name board, maybe worth about 3,000 rupees or a 30,000 rupees. Whereas we go and give him a connection for 300. Why? Because he has not been able to convey what is his business. So this particular platform, this particular subject which we are talking now on business presentation is, you should be able to know the customers good. You should be able to know your business better. Know your business USP better. What is it that unique selling proposition you are making? If Mr. Ganpati Bhatt says that he has got some 3 offices across Bangalore and he is able to do IT the networking, or he says that he will do computer repair, if he is able to clearly tell what is that particular computer repair, will he replace a hardware, will he be able to do at the chip level, will he replace the mouse, or some, then we will call him, please give me one remote mouse and repair my mouse. It is not worth it for him. For 100 rupees one, should he come right from Harinagar or a Shastri Nagar or a Giri Nagar, but to some sort of a Elhanka? How so we have to say, what is that USP, what is that extra? We have seen Vijay Rao also talking about residential properties or commercial property. What is it that USP that it is better off? He says that absolutely anything in South Bangalore, Jayanagar and above, Jayanagar, JP Nagar or Banerghatta, he says, don't give me Electronic City, anything in this particular vicinity. So then we are able to say that, okay, if we talk to Vijay Rao for anything on the Jayanagar, JP Nagar areas, he's the best person on the real estate. So what is that particular USP you are going to tell? It gives you better and right referrals. So what happens is, which is a referral a person wants. Like we have even Ashok Dongre doing lot of information. I could connect him to one person, Sangeeta Saluke, sometime back, wherein he did a wonderful job of emails and generation, which resulted in she getting a something like about some 20,000 rupees worth of business. And so when he mentioned that mass mailing, okay, so what happened is, it stuck to me that Ashok Dongre is only into mass mailing. Later on, he started telling, no, I'm also into web development, or I'm also into digital marketing. So I have already referred few others into digital marketing or other businesses. So it will take a longer time. Therefore, it is essential when you do a business presentation that you are able to correctly inform, so that any other person can give a right reference. So another element is, when we do these things, I think we understood what these elements are, why it is essential for us to do a clean, clear business presentation. Say somebody talks about a product like Ambika ji went on about her products on bed sheets, color. What exactly Ambika wanted to convey at that day is that she has got a number of colorful bed sheets or dress material, but then what did sell for her more, and what should sell more for her? So it is, we have to think that if I have to convey some material, what is that business increase that I can get? What particular products and services can increase my revenue and also the profitability? So these are the elements. So now let us say, what should you tell? Okay, so again, in 1 minute, let us have an interaction session. What should you tell? Okay, anybody wants to take a shot on it? Ganpati or of course, I don't want to.
Yeah, I,
ಹೇಳಿ
sir,
Ganpati.
yeah, the entry level should be easy. So for that, I made a diagnosis of any product issues will be free in my service center.
Okay.
So after that, we diagnose and estimate what is the cost for it. And if it is approved by customer, we'll fix it.
No. When you want to make a presentation, now I have given you a slide which says why the presentation is required. Why is it essential? Okay. So we understood why it is essential. Therefore, because if we are about some 700 odd VBF members, all the VBF members should know your products and services. They will be able to give you right connections. They'll be able to give you right references, and thereby your revenues grow up, your business increases. Okay, why? Now, once we know, yes, therefore, this is the why element of it. Then the next element is, what should you tell? Okay, clear? Whenever Saturdays, when we meet in the evening, or whatever, that is a 30-second pitch or a 45-second pitch, what we are looking at is, when you make a business presentation, what should you tell to make it more, so that it rightly reaches the people who are listening to it. Okay, that is my question. What should you tell?
Recent success story.
Any
recent success story?
Okay, Ravi Simha, recent success story. Okay, Ambika.
No, Jayanti here, sir.
Oh, Jayanti, tell me, ma.
I think we need to address the problems, sir. We need to address the problems. I think that would catch their attention. How our services or products could solve their problem.
Customer need.
Customer need. Okay. Anybody else?
Sir, I'll be very crisp and clear about my products, what I'm selling, and what customer need.
Okay, so good. So we are somewhere then, but then are we telling that, and by telling that, are you able to reach? Okay, now when you say what do you tell? So we'll come back, Abhinandan. Tell briefly first about yourself, why, what you are. always remember when we tell a particular product, when we say that, okay, we have a Lenovo product, we would say that it comes from a family of IBM. Okay, so people look at the tree, look at what is the background. Okay, when we tell about our own Pravara, why do you have to tell all the Gotras? You can just say that Ganapati Bhatta Hambho anta ನೀವು ಹೇಳ್ಕೊಂಡು ಹೋಗ್ಬೋದಲ್ವಾ? Why do you take, so you're going to grieve something about what is it you are. Okay, now ಇವಾಗ ನನ್ನ when somebody did my introduction, Ashok Dongre, when Dongre sir did my introduction, he was so there is something called as an education element. There is something called about a 39 plus years of experience. There is something called about national and international experience. Alva. So so when you know something about that, you will be interested to hear me or listen to what I tell. If there's nothing like that and somebody says, okay, Ravi Kumar will say that all good, everybody has come, let us start. Mr. Krishna Kumar, go ahead and I will start off on my talk. Then you'll be wondering, who is this guy Krishna Kumar or KK? What is his background? Why? How do you think that I have to listen to him? Can he give me the right solution? So therefore, when you are talking about your products and services, it is essential that you talk briefly about yourself. Ambika wants to sell something about her bed sheets and garments and what have you. So Ambika should say that I have been in the textile industry, or I am a women entrepreneur who have my family background is we have all been in the handloom and textile, or I have some connections in the textile. Ganpati Bhatt, if he has to tell about he's in the IT, he says that he has worked either with Wipro, Infosys, or HCL, or PCL, or at Zenith, and therefore he has a good knowledge about hardware networking, and he has got a degree from NIIT. So that gives us what is called as a confidence, an element that yes, if Ganpati Bhatt, if I give him my PC, he will not mess it up. He will give me in a perfect condition. So the PC stands for a perfect condition. So that's what he should give me. He should not make a mess of it and give. So you will tell briefly about yourself. Don't waste a lot of time about yourself. Okay, tell briefly about yourself. Tell briefly about your overall business. Otherwise, what happens is, if you are not able to give one single canvas of what all your businesses are, and then you zero down. Otherwise, it is like if you look at a thali, a wonderful Rajasthani thali or whatever it is, all the items are served in small conditions. Alva, little. Namge uta badsuvaga till tuppa hako tanka ಕಾಯ್ತಾ ಇರ್ತೀವಿ. Why don't we start off? Because we also want to see ಉಪ್ಪು ಉಪ್ಪಿನಕಾಯಿ ಜೊತೆ ಬೇರೆ ಏನೇನು ಐಟಮ್ಸ್ ಇದೆ ಅಂತ. So when the entire ಎಲೆ ಮೇಲೆ ಎಲ್ಲ ಬಡಿಸಿದ ಮೇಲೆ you will know, ಓಹೋ ಇಷ್ಟೆಲ್ಲ ಇದೆ. So then you will plan ಏನ್ ಜಾಸ್ತಿ ತಿನ್ಬೇಕು, ಯಾವ್ದು ಕಡಿಮೆ ತಿನ್ಬೇಕು ಅಂತ. Okay, lunch time ಆಗ್ತಾ ಇದೆ ಅದಕ್ಕೋಸ್ಕರ. So therefore, what I am saying is, give a brief about all your businesses. There, and then you zoom into a particular business level. Say, for example, what are your products and services? Why that particular product and services are coming? What tell about your USP? What differentiates you from your competitor? Let me take an example here. When you tell briefly about your business, say somebody is into pest control. I think 1 or 2 people in our business also is in the pest control. If the person who talks about pest control, if we think that only pests are, athwa he says illa fumigation, complete house, micro level cleaning, all those words they use. Okay, wonderful. Then they will tell about products he will using a specific non-alcohol based element or a herbal based element. Idella heluvaga suddenly they move into different types of pests. Let it be bed bugs agirbodu, cockroaches agirbodu, instead of telling about the products and services, he moves away telling about different types of cockroaches. America cockroach henge, Europe cockroach hege, Indian cockroach hege, bed bugs ಈ ತರ ಇರುತ್ತೆ. They are not required ನಿಮಗೆ ಅಲ್ವಾ? Yeah, if somebody takes you out into a different platform, you are going to switch off yourself, because after all, your anybody's concentration or something which you are talking goes into the head only for the first 10-15 minutes. So therefore we say that if I am able to grab and give you the right information in the 5 minutes, then you are going to be more interested to listen to more detail. Nanage, I want to know what sort of a product and services, and how well is your product and services effectively kill the cockroaches, or reduce an element that at least for the next 6 months I don't have the cockroach problem again. ಅದ್ರ ಬಗ್ಗೆ ಹೇಳೋದ್ ಬಿಟ್ಬಿಟ್ಟು ನೀನು ನನಗೆ ಕಾಕ್ರೋಚ್ ಜ್ಞಾನ ಕೊಟ್ರೆ ಕಷ್ಟ ಆಗ್ಬಿಡತ್ತೆ ಲೈಫ್. ಸೊ ವಾಟ್ if Vijay Rao has to talk about the real estate, if he talks about foundation, soil survey, soil study, soil ನಲ್ಲಿ earthworms ಇರುತ್ತೆ, ಅದ್ರ ಬಗ್ಗೆ ಎಲ್ಲ ಹೇಳೋದು ಶುರು ಮಾಡಿದ್ರೆ, will you think that Vijay Rao hatra ನಾನು am supposed to talk to him for a 3-bedroom house or a 1-bedroom house or a 30-40 plot or aದೇನು? Why is he talking about earthworms? It does not, it is not concerned with what you are trying to mention, and therefore you are educating our Wipra business members about your business fails. And if your business mentioning or information fails, you will not get good reference, you will not get positive reference, or you will not get a referral at all for 1 year, 2 year, whatever you be with on the forum. Therefore, please tell briefly about yourself, your business, clearly about your product services. Why is your product and services better than your competitor? What is it that your services, why should we choose your services? So what is that particular unique selling proposition you are talking? Tell about your clients whom you are serving. You should say that, okay, now XYZ are my clients. I help so many clients. If Karthik is into, say, payroll management, account management, if he says that my clients are DMart or somebody Reliance trading shop, athwa these are the Krishna Shetty and Sons are my clients. So then it gives us some idea. Karthik clients are so and so. So we can give him a connections for these type of clients, and if we are able to give this type of clients, Karthik will win those business. That is essential. Who are the clients? What sort of a clients are you looking at? And any client testimonials. I think recently we had a lot of people talking about an excellent services. The tour travel Manjunath Saligrama, if I'm not wrong, you just tell him about a particular booking or a packing moving ಮಾಡಿಸ್ಬೇಕು, or ಅವ್ರಿಗೆ ಒಂದು taxi ಬೇಕು. He will coordinate in so essential way that he will ensure that at the right time the car is at your house. He will ensure that the car, the people whom you have to send, take them to another destination, they reach the destination also properly. So when we are giving that type of a client referral, saying that ನೀವು ಮಂಜುನಾಥ್ ಅವ್ರ ಹತ್ರ ಮಾತಾಡಿ, excellent transportation service, you just don't have to worry about it. Or if you say Jaitirtha ಅವ್ರಿಗೆ ನೀವೇನಾದ್ರೂ give him an idea about a name board, he will come with 2-3 alternatives. He will make it very attractive, so that somebody some 500 meters away also can read your name board. So therefore, if you want to do a good name board, please talk to Jaitirtha. So we that particular client testimonials helps you to win the Wipra business people on the take or on the forum, and that also gives the people who are listening to you to give you the right referrals. What are you talking? Share your best clients who you can connect others. At time you should also say that I can give you so and so connections. I can give you connection to an XYZ person. I can give you connection to Ram Prasad, who can be a very good trading partner. So that is how we get you the connections. Ask for specific clients, specific client segments. You have to ask, ನನಗೆ ಈ ಕ್ಲೈಂಟ್ ಬೇಕು, ಈ ಕ್ಲೈಂಟ್ ಸೆಗ್ಮೆಂಟ್ ನಲ್ಲಿ ಬೇಕು. ವಿಜಯ್ ರಾವ್ ಅವರ್ ಕನ್ಸ್ಟ್ರಕ್ಷನ್ ಪೀಪಲ್ ಅಲ್ಲಿ ನಮ್ಮ ದೇಶಪಾಂಡೆ ಸಾಹೇಬರು ಹೂಸ್ ಇಂಟು ಸಮ್ ಸಾರ್ಟ್ ಆಫ್ ಎ ಕನ್ಸ್ಟ್ರಕ್ಷನ್, ಅವರೆಲ್ಲ ಸ್ಟೀಲ್ ಕನ್ಸ್ಟ್ರಕ್ಷನ್, ಸ್ಟೀಲ್ ಕಾಂಟ್ರಾಕ್ಟ್, ಸ್ಟೀಲ್ ಪಿಕ್ಚರ್ಸ್ ಎಲ್ಲ ಹಾಕ್ತಿದ್ದಾಗ I don't know how many were able to say that, okay, now this is the connection, Virendra Deshpande, if I'm not wrong, or Deshpande ಅವ್ರಿಗೆ connection ಮಾಡಬೇಕು ಅಂದಾಗ we'll say that, okay, he is into pre-engineered building. So therefore, if we can give him a connection to where people want to make a quick construction and a pre-engineered building, that is where is really good for him, and he has a factory. So that is the essential element. Otherwise, ನಾವು ಈ ಸ್ಟೀಲ್ ನೋಡ್ತಾ ಇದ್ದಾಗ ಸ್ಟೀಲ್ಗೂ ನಮಗೂ ಸಂಬಂಧ ಏನು ಅನ್ನೋದು, it does not click to us. But if we are able to tell that these are the clients, something like, if I have to like a Tata BlueScope ಆಗಿರ್ಬೋದು, or Zenith Zamir Steel ಆಗಿರ್ಬೋದು, these are some of the steel companies where the PB comes into the picture. Specific clients, ನಮ್ಮ ಇವರು ಬದ್ರಿನಾರಾಯಣ ಅವರು ಆವಾಗ he keeps showing some pictures. What is it he trying to tell there? Architect anta heltidara, structural engineer anta heltidara. How do you think we can get a connection? So when you are able to tell these are the elements and these are my specific clients, this is the client segments I am looking for, this will convey a clean, clearer information for the people on the Wipro Business Forum platform to give you the right connections. So now let me look at the next element of what to tell about the product and services. Sorry, I'll take another small break. So now another question. So another 2 slides I have. What do you tell about your product and services? A lot of people will go off tangentially. Anybody wants to take a shot of it? What, like Ganpati Bhattaru, what do you tell about the product and services?
Products and services, any electronic gadgets like laptops, mobiles, printers, CCTV, all the electronic gadgets, services we do.
That's what you will tell, what to tell about product and services. ನಿಮ್ಮ business ಬಗ್ಗೆ ನೀವು ಏನಾದರೂ presentation ಮಾಡಬೇಕು ಅಂದ್ರೆ ನಿಮ್ಮ product services. ವಿಜಯ್ ಹೇಳಿ ವಿಜಯ್.
Sir, we would probably say how our services or products can remove the pains of the people of our clients, or how it can enhance their or value add to their lifestyle, or they can bring some additions to their existing situations.
Yeah. So when the previous slide, what to tell on the prashna bandaga, you will tell about how your product and services can improve the client's pain point, like Vijay Hedavatara. If Karthik has to say, why should Karthik get a business? He should tell, just by giving Karthik a business, he will say that, okay, nimma GST issues, so you can just forget it. I will manage it end to end. You will never get a GST notice. Okay, so this is how I will do my GST work. So therefore, when you're telling and removing a thing, yes, Abhinandan, you want to tell something?
Yes, so the value proposition that we bring on the table.
Yeah, so the value proposition is what you are mentioning. Good. So let's see about when it comes specifically about your product and services. Therefore, my previous slide was about an introduction, about when I'm going to present about my particular business, how am I going to present my business, what value proposition I'm going to bring, what pain points it will remove, who are my what sort of a client segments I'm addressing, and by my product and services, these are the testimonials. So that is an introduction to whatever you are going to tell. So now you are going to specifically tell about your products and services. What are we going to tell? Briefly tell about the products and services. You don't have long time. You don't have hours together. You just have, say, 5 minutes or 8 minutes presentation to do. So if you are doing an 8 minutes presentation or 5 minutes presentation, briefly tell about all the products. Pick up a benefits. Don't talk more of it. Like as a value proposition, Abhinandan was mentioning, we are looking at talk the benefits. What sort of a benefits it will give? Okay, no, don't exactly. If I take a product, if somebody talks of a product called as Ambika's bed sheets, what sort of a benefits it will give? That maybe in terms of color or in terms of warmth, in terms of longevity. You don't have to keep changing the benefits every year. I can give you a 5-year guarantee. So what sort of a benefit it has? Similarly, if Nitya and Ram Prasad want to talk about the benefits about their soaps, what sort of a talk about people? You buy something looking at considering the benefit. Okay, so a particular product has 3 elements: the features, advantages, and benefits. The features is what first you tell. These are the features of the product. These are the advantages of the product, and these are the benefits. We buy a particular product or services based on the benefit. This is our buying psychology. The basic buying psychology is the benefit. So therefore, ಈಗ Dove soap idaga, they talk about smoothness. They will talk about a good glow of the skin. These are the benefits. They don't talk about the chemical composition of Dove soap. Okay, so these are the benefits. Tell how your products will remove the pain points, isn't it? Like we had both Vijay and Abhinandan all saying, how will it remove the pain points? As we say, Karthik has to tell of something, or Jaitirtha has to tell of a particular product. How will it remove the pain points? If Jaitirtha wants to make a name board, can he put some sort of a sample type of systems where he'll say, Nodi, I'll put this particular sample. Let's see this name board at 100-meter level. Kansata. Okay, because that shopman, he wants to have a visibility. So if a dull paint comes up or a dull lighting happens and the name board is not very much visible, it looks very bad. So therefore, like I don't know how many of you would have seen the name boards of Just Bake. Very easy for us to locate it. So similarly, we are looking at how do we remove the pain point of that shop owner by giving him a good name board, or remove how. So this is when you talk about the product, you tell about what are the product, you talk about the benefits, tell how it will improve the services it will give and remove the pain points. Be emotional connect to the products. Okay, emotional andre dialogue ಹೇಳೋದು ಬೇಕಾಗಿಲ್ಲ. ಅಂದ್ರೆ ವೆರಿ ಮಚ್ ಲೈಕ್ ಒಂದು ಸಿನಿಮಾ ಡೈಲಾಗ್ ಆಗಿ ಇಮೋಷನಲ್ ಆಗೋದು ಬೇಕಾಗಿಲ್ಲ. What are we talking here in the emotional level is how somebody personally benefited or how much you are involved in it. Okay, how much are you involved? You feel for the product. Somebody talks about the particular product, ಏನೋ ಬೇಕಾಬಿಟ್ಟಿ ತರ ಹೇಳ್ತಿದಾನ or emotional ಆಗಿ ಫೀಲ್ ಮಾಡ್ಕೊಂಡು ಹೇಳ್ತಾ ಇದ್ದಾನ ಪ್ರಾಡಕ್ಟ್ ನ. Ram Prasad wants to sell any of his Agamya products. What is that level of emotional connect he has to the product? Unless until you don't feel it as like your own children. Okay, if you feel like your own children, what sort of an emotional level you will speak to a school teacher for an admission? Alva. You will not say siktadre siktu illa andre paragilla antana bidbidtira illa. You have an emotional connect. You will kathegulu heltira. Similarly, what is that emotional level you can bring to the product? So that will make a person listening how keen he is with the product, how much interest he has with the product. Okay, simple age ಒಂದು situation ತಗೊಳ್ಳಿ where you go to a particular shop, someone is showing you various dress materials. ಅದರಲ್ಲಿ emotion ಇಲ್ಲದೆ ಆ saree, he will remove that particular dress, keep it on the table, and then he'll be looking at you. He will not explain to you about, or he does not show the connect to it. You will not like to buy with that. Imagine the bumper sales Ambika had with the amount of emotion she had with so many 3D bed sheets. I think that day she would have made about 1 lakh sales, Ambika. Good. Anyway, let's look at it. Tell couple of success stories.
Please.
Arey Baba, let us have that prayer, Baba, that yes, we'll do it.
Yes, sir.
Okay.
Yes, sir. I'll be more than happy to tell God.
Okay, madam.
Okay, clear. Thank you. So tell couple of success stories. Sometime back we had Ravi Simha tell success stories. By this particular product, what have been the success stories? Maybe somebody used that Moringa shampoo and therefore a dandruff barlila. If you look at Nitya, she'll be telling all that stories. So you'll say, okay, so baldness kadme agbodu. Okay, so therefore you please buy the shampoos of Nitya. What is the success stories? So when you talk about your products, like even if any of Vijay wants to tell about a success or Ganpati Bhatt wants to tell about a success, please always tell a success story. This is how it was. Their system had crashed and he had KK or the system crash ಆಗ್ಬಿಟ್ಟಿತ್ತು and next day or the other on the talk presentation ittu. He was very worried. Ganpati Bhatt really came in like Ganpati and ನಮ್ಮ ವಿಘ್ನಗಳೆಲ್ಲ ಕ್ಲಿಯರ್ ಮಾಡ್ಬಿಟ್ರು completely. So and he just made ನಿರ್ವಿಘ್ನವಾಗಿತ್ತು. That is how coolly he made. That is what we say. What is that success? He can, are you relating a particular success? Tell about a success story. So tell briefly about, don't go too much detail into the product. Tell lot of things about how the product benefits. Tell lot of things how people get connected to the product. Then people get the relationship of your products and services. Clear? So now let's look at the other element called as which product and services. You may have number of products and services. What is that particular product and services? You have a limited time of 5 minutes or 8 minutes. Which product and services? One product ತಗೊಂಡ್ರು 2-3 ನಿಮಿಷ ಹೊರಟಾಗುತ್ತೆ. How can I tell about it? You may have. So therefore you give a broad canvas. We'll say that I have these 5 products or 6 products and these are my services. Touch them or as a thing, and on that particular forum pick up what will be high value, high visible and important one. Karthik, if we have to take, if he says that he is going to be like a accountant or a accountant help, is it a high value for him and is it important? Whether when he talks more of a GST issues barbodu or GST he can manage GST filing. So that is an important one. A customer would like it because that is really a pain point and that is more visible. If he says illa ನಾನು ನಿಮ್ಗೆಲ್ಲ ವೋಚರ್ ಎಂಟ್ರೀಸ್ ಮಾಡ್ಕೊಡ್ತೀನಿ ಟ್ಯಾಲಿನಲ್ಲಿ ಅಂದ್ರೆ ಅದು ಬೇಕಾಗಿಲ್ಲ. That is not a big deal at all. Okay, and it's not a high value. So pick up those elements which will be having a high impact. Say for example, if Ganpati Bhatt wants to talk about the PC, you regularly PC nalli, what is that high value, high important, which will fail? Okay, which will have a problem. Pick up those elements and talk about it. That is what we'll be able to remember. That is what we are able to recollect and when we want to give a referral. So what is that particular product? Tell about those products and services. Which product? So that tell about that particular product and service. Tell more about their usage, application, use agutte, yak use agutte, why it should. There are so many people talk about like say for example, let me take our own HVAC man, Soumitri, I'm not sure if I'm using a wrong name, but if I say what is that HVAC he's doing, is he into industrial HVAC or ಮನೆಯಲ್ಲಿ ತಗೊಂಡ್ಬಂದು ಆ ಏರ್ ಕಂಡೀಷನಿಂಗ್ ಒಂದು ನೇತಾಕ್ತಾರಲ್ಲ ಅದ. So if I'm not able to know that this could be some sort of a central air conditioning, or it could be a split unit type of air conditioning, or it is a ducted air conditioning he can give me. We are able to connect. He should be able to connect that these are the type of people who will be requiring. We will be another requirement bandaga on the air conditioning. It will suddenly click to me that Saumitri connection kodabodu. This is the type of connection what I can give to Saumitri. If you are not able to tell that particular usage, like Nam Deshpande or Bageno ಹೇಳ್ತಿದೆ, the PEB buildings ಆಗಿರಬಹುದು or steel structures ಆಗಿರಬಹುದು. There have been instances when somebody talks of PEB buildings and steel structures, you phone up and tell him, ನಮ್ಮ ಮನೆ ಗೇಟ್ ಬಿದ್ದೋಗಿದೆ, ಒಂದು ಸ್ವಲ್ಪ ಗೇಟ್ ರಿಪೇರಿ ಮಾಡ್ತೀರಾ ಅಂತ. Do you think Deshpande, who is having a multi-crore business, will come for a 500 crore gate repair? Because what you would have thought is Deshpande is into a gate repair. Okay, and you will feel bad that Deshpande ಅವ್ರಿಗೆ reference ಕೊಟ್ಟರು ಬರಲಿಲ್ಲ. Why? Because that relationship as to which business you can give him has not been established. So when you talk about the products and services, you should have the relationship. And when you are saying that timely delivery, Agamya Ramprasad avaragiರಲಿ, ಇನ್ನೊಬ್ಬರು timely delivery. Recently, even during the pandemic, Jaitirtha was able to change some name boards or give some standees. ಅದಕ್ಕೆ ಒಂದು ಡೆಲಿವರಿ ಟೆಸ್ಟಿಮೋನಿಯಲ್ ಜೊತೆ ಒಂದು ಡೆಲಿವರಿನೂ ಕೊಟ್ಟಿದ್ದೀವಿ, ಅದಕ್ಕೊಂದು ಟೆಸ್ಟಿಮೋನಿಯಲ್ ಇದೆ. It's a proof of the element. So these are the few elements. When you are able to deliver and talk on these aspects, people will relate to you, relate to your product. Will be able to remember. Okay, so when I remember lot these things, I will be able to give a connection. Okay, so and so the connection kodi. Say for example, Gururaj ಅವರು blinds ಮಾಡ್ತಾರೆ, ಅಥವಾ mosquito mesh ಮಾಡ್ತಾರೆ, or he is into clothes drying system ಮಾಡ್ತಾರೆ. So I was able to give him few references. Some of the architects were looking for that particular references, so it became easier because he was able to show with some testimonials or whatever that pictures he was able to show, or small videos about mobile doors with a mesh. So that was easier for me to remember. Okay, now this is the product and this is what it is, and there is a person called Gururaj who will be able to do. So I could give him some connections. Atara. Now how should I present? Clear? Okay, good. So I'll now, any questions, and if it is anything else, please let me know. Open up. So now how should I present? Now we have understood that. How should I present? Anybody wants to take? How should I present anta bandaga? How will you present it? Go ahead, Ram Prasad. If you want to present, how will you present?
With a beautiful picture of the product.
Okay.
And then briefly the important points of that product, main product points of that product.
Okay, super. Okay.
So first of all, I would try to understand who is my target audience. So based on that, I'm going to hit on points that are going to touch the audience right, so that they feel connected with the product, and there is not much of talking, but the selling happens just like that.
Wonderful. Abhinandana.
Self-introduction with the credibility things and all.
Yeah, ಅದು ಇಂಟ್ರೊಡಕ್ಷನ್ ಎಲ್ಲ ಆಯ್ತು. ಸೊ ಅಭಿನಂದನ್ ಅವರಾಗಿರ್ಲಿ, ರಾಮ್ ಪ್ರಸಾದ್ ಅವ್ರ ಹೇಳ್ತಾರ, who are my audience to who I am addressing. ಸೊ ಅವ್ರಿಗೆ ಯಾವ ತರ ನಾನು ಪ್ರೆಸೆಂಟ್ ಮಾಡಬೇಕು. ಓಕೆ, ರಾಮ್ ಪ್ರಸಾದ್ ಅವರು ಒಂದು ವಂಡರ್ಫುಲ್ ಪಿಕ್ಚರ್ಸ್ ಹಾಕಬೇಕು, ಬಿಕಾಸ್ ಸಮಟೈಮ್ಸ್ ಪಿಕ್ಚರ್ಸ್ mainly in the food products ಆಗಿರ್ಬೋದು, or any of the dress materials products ಆಗಿರ್ಬೋದು, how attractive ಇರುತ್ತೆ. ನೀವು ಯೋಚನೆ ಮಾಡಿ ನೋಡಿ, ಮೇ ಬಿ ಅಬೌಟ್ ಸಮ್ 20 years 25 years ಬ್ಯಾಕ್ ರೆಸ್ಟೋರೆಂಟ್ಸ್ ಹೋದಾಗ ಯು ಆರ್ ನಾಟ್ ಹ್ಯಾವಿಂಗ್ ಮಚ್ ಆಫ್ ಪಿಕ್ಚರ್ಸ್ ಅಲ್ವಾ. ಸ್ಲೋಲಿ ಉಪಹಾರ ದರ್ಶಿನಿ ಶುರು ಮಾಡಿದ ಕೂಡಲೇ DVG ರೋಡ್ನಲ್ಲಿ ರವೆ ಇಡ್ಲಿ ಆಗಿರ್ಬೋದು, ಮಸಾಲೆ ದೋಸೆಗಳಾಗಿರ್ಬೋದು, they become attractive. Okay. ರೀಸೆಂಟ್ಲಿ ಏನ್ ಮಾಡ್ತಿದ್ದಾರೆ, ಒಂದು ಸ್ಯಾಂಪಲ್ ಪೀಸ್ಗಳು ರೆಡಿ ಮಾಡಿ ಇಟ್ಬಿಡ್ತಾ ಇದ್ದಾರೆ. ಒಂದು ರವೆ ಇಡ್ಲಿ ಅಂದ್ರೆ ಪಿಕ್ಚರ್ ಅಲ್ಲ, ರವೆ ಇಡ್ಲಿ ಹಿಂಗಿರತ್ತೆಪ್ಪ ನೋಡೋಕೆ, ಆರ್ ಉತ್ತಪಂ ಅಂದ್ರೆ ಈ ತರ ಇರುತ್ತೆ ನೋಡೋಕೆ ಅಲ್ವಾ. ಸೊ ವಾಟ್ ಈಸ್ ಹ್ಯಾಪನಿಂಗ್ ಇಸ್ ಪೀಪಲ್ ಹ್ಯಾವ್ ಅವರ್ ಇಮ್ಯಾಜಿನೇಷನ್. ನೀವು ಇದನ್ನ ಯು ಹ್ಯಾವ್ ಟು tap that imagination. You have to build that imagination. You have to kindle that particular imagination alwa. So how do I sort of light it up? How do I fire it? If I'm able to fire up that particular thought process or bring in an imagination, that much better it will be easy for you to sell your product or tell about your product. Okay, so let me see, how should I present?
Sir, can I add a word here?
Yeah, go ahead.
Sir, I think by putting those the actual products or the pictures there, I think the hotel or restaurant people, they are able to generate more revenue, because the people who have come to eat 20 rupees idli may end up eating rava dosa, which is costing around 50 rupees. So are they generating? I mean, that is somewhat I feel.
Yes.
Can we replicate the same thing in our businesses as well?
Yes. So how do you do that? Okay. So now that is a challenge which you have. That is what is my today's talk. How do you do? That's why I mentioned about all these things. And how are you going to do, Raghavendra? Because insurance is such a boring thing, alwa.
Yes.
Okay. How do ಈಗ ರವೆ ಇಡ್ಲಿಗಾದ್ರೆ ಒಂದು ಅಟ್ರಾಕ್ಟ್ ಮಾಡಬಹುದು, ರಾಘವೇಂದ್ರ ಅವ್ರು ಹೇಳ್ತಾರ ರವೆ ದೋಸೆ ಮಾಡಬಹುದು, ಬಟ್ ವಾಟ್ ಅಬೌಟ್ ಅವರ್ ಇನ್ಶೂರೆನ್ಸ್? ಅದಕ್ಕೆ ಏನ್ ಮಾಡೋಕ್ಕಾಗತ್ತೆ? ಇನ್ಶೂರೆನ್ಸ್ ಡಾಕ್ಯುಮೆಂಟ್ ನೀವು ಇನ್ ಕೇಸ್ ಯು ವಾಂಟ್ ಟು ಪುಟ್ ಎ ಫೋಟೋ ಆಫ್ ಇಟ್, ಅದು ಕಾಣಿಸೋದು ಇಲ್ಲ. ಯಾಕಂದ್ರೆ ಸೊ ಸ್ಮಾಲ್ ಇರುತ್ತೆ, ಮಧ್ಯದಲ್ಲಿ ಎಲ್ಲಿ ನಿಮ್ಮನ್ನು ಸಿಕ್ಸ್ ಆಗ್ತಾರೋ ಗೊತ್ತಾಗಲ್ಲ. ನೀವು ಪ್ರೀಮಿಯಂ ಪೇ ಮಾಡಿರ್ತೀರಾ, ಬಟ್ ಯಾವುದೋ ಒಂದು ಕ್ಲಾಸ್ ಇರುತ್ತೆ, ಬಿಕಾಸ್ ಆಫ್ ವಿಚ್ ಯು ಆರ್ ನಾಟ್ ಎಲಿಜಿಬಲ್ ಅಂತಾನು ಬಂದ್ಬಿಡತ್ತೆ. ಬಟ್ ಸ್ಟಿಲ್ ದೇ ಹ್ಯಾವ್ ಟು ಸೆಲ್ ದೋಸ್ ಇನ್ಶೂರೆನ್ಸ್. Not only boring, it is not very interesting. So how do you think people can make it? Not only on the insurance, Raghavendra, even Ganpati Bhatt avaro, in case he says that I am going to do a chip level repair, or ಏನಾದರೂ ಸ್ಕ್ರೂ ಡ್ರೈವರ್ಸ್ ಒಂದು IC ಚಿಪ್ ತೋರಿಸ್ಬಿಟ್ರೆ ಕಾಣಿಸುತ್ತಾ ಕ್ಲಿಯರಾ? Okay, does it attract him at all? Is that the picture? So let's look at it. Look at the few elements here. How should I present? Okay, how should I present? Prepare a clean PPT. Plan it. Okay, you as much possible use the slides presentation as your base. Don't use Word document or an Excel document to show. So for example, ಈಗ ಇನ್ಶೂರೆನ್ಸ್ ಅವರು ನೀವು ಸೇ ಏನ್ PPT, what sort of a PPT can I make? Insert product and service pictures. So what are the insurance people today showing in terms of products and services? They're not talking about major insurance. What are the pictures they'll show? They may show a family, a full family, a happy family, a husband, wife, maklu and all. Second picture nalli husband ಕಾಣಿಸಲ್ಲ. Okay, ಬರೀ the lady and ಮಕ್ಕಳು ಕಾಣಿಸ್ತಾ ಇರ್ತಾರೆ. So ಆ ಒಂದು ಪಿಕ್ಚರ್ ಮಧ್ಯದಲ್ಲಿ you will say if you had an insurance you would have got 50 lakhs or 1 crore or something like that. They're trying to convey by way of a picture. ಅದು ಯಾಕೋ ಯಾವಾಗ್ಲೂ ಗಂಡನೇ ಸತ್ತೋಗ್ತಾ ಇರ್ತಾನೆ, I don't know, in the pictures ನಲ್ಲಿ. Okay, for whatever reasons, Raghavendra should tell us some other day. But ನಮ್ಗೆ ಏನಾಗುತ್ತೆ,
today the world is expecting more of men to
die,
lead the family.
Okay.
Take the responsibility.
Okay. Nowadays where people are showing single parents also. So ಹೊಸ ಕಾನ್ಸೆಪ್ಟ್ಗಳಲ್ಲಿ ಈ single women parents which is coming in. So the single women parent also, what happens to the women, the lady who is taking care of her child and she is no more, what will happen? So it is like the current pandemic situation where we see law or plenty of very poor orphan children. So ನಮ್ಗೆ ಇವಾಗ ಒಂದು PPT ಮಾಡಿ ಆ ಪ್ರಾಡಕ್ಟ್ ಬಗ್ಗೆ ನೀವು ಹೇಳಬೇಕು ಅಂದ್ರೆ what sort of a picture, don't show negative pictures, show some positive pictures which you will be able to remember. Always remember that people and put some of the client logos. So for example, Ganpati Bhatt ಅವರು ಒಂದು ಇಂಡಸ್ಟ್ರೀಸ್ಗೆ ಸರ್ವಿಸಸ್ ಮಾಡ್ತಾ ಇದ್ದಾರೆ ಅಂದ್ರೆ instead of conveying or telling so many industry names, now ಲೋಗೋಗಳು ಅದರ ಹೆಸರಿದ್ದಾಗ it is easy to remember ಅಲ್ವಾ. So if Karthik wants to show that he is giving so many shops, or Jaitirtha wants to say these are the particular clients he does, he's doing for Just Bake ಆಗಿರ್ಬೋದು or Kanti Sweets ಆಗಿರ್ಬೋದು, the client to our logo show that, should prepare what sort of, can I make the pictures and products lively, can I, how exactly can I go, insert testimonials ಮಾಡಿದಾಗ please highlight the positive elements what he has shown. ದೊಡ್ಡ ಲೆಟರ್ ಹಾಕ್ಬಿಡ್ಬೇಡಿ. what is that 3 lines what he has shown, ಆ ಪಾಯಿಂಟ್ಸ್ ತಗೊಳ್ಳಿ, ಮೇಲ್ಗಡೆ ಕೆಳಗಡೆ ಇದೆಲ್ಲ ಐಟಮ್ಸ್ ಅನ್ನ ಜೋಡಿಸಿ, show that the testimonial he is talking about is something really good. Okay, what should I put? And then look at it on the video. If you can insert a short video, like technically a lot of people have been showing about a video. I think frequently videos ನಾವು ನೋಡ್ತಾ ಇರೋದು ಗುರುರಾಜ್ ಮೆಶ್, ಇನ್ಯಾವುದಾದ್ರೂ ವಿಡಿಯೋಗಳು ನೋಡ್ತಾ ಇದ್ದೀವಿ ಗೊತ್ತಿಲ್ಲ. Okay, but at least ಬೇರೆದು what sort of a good video which can help a person, what sort of a testimonial can somebody say that I'm very happy with XYZ services, and therefore even a short video, if it is not on a product, okay, Ganpati Bhatt can go and take one video of their customer ಮಾತಾಡ್ತಾ ಇರೋದು ಈ ಸರ್ವಿಸಸ್. ನಮಸ್ಕಾರ, ನನ್ನ ಹೆಸರು ಕೃಷ್ಣ ಕುಮಾರ್, ಗಣಪತಿ ಭಟ್ ಅವ್ರು ನನ್ನ ಲ್ಯಾಪ್ಟಾಪ್ ರಿಪೇರ್ ಮಾಡಿದ್ರು, ತುಂಬಾ ಚೆನ್ನಾಗಿತ್ತು. I like the way his people came and presented. I will certainly refer all my 100 friends to go to Ganpati Bhatt. Okay, you take that also as a video, no? ಅರ್ಥ ಆಯ್ತಲ್ವಾ ನಿಮ್ಗೆ? ವಿಡಿಯೋ ಎಲ್ಲೂ ಸಿಗಲ್ಲ. Ask, one sir, 30 seconds ನಾನು ನಿಮ್ದು ವಿಡಿಯೋ ರೆಕಾರ್ಡ್ ಮಾಡ್ಲಾ, can you, and you prepare, always remember, insert a testimonial or insert a short video. You yourself prepare what should be the matter you want the person has to talk. Okay, take it and give it to him. ಅವರೇ ಕೇಳಬಹುದು ಏನ್ ಮಾತಾಡ್ಲಿ ಅಂತ. ಅಭಿನಂದನ್, I don't know what business he is in. If some client you have to take, give that document or the word elements to read, or a paragraph for him to read it itself. So that will become easier, so that person can make an easy testimony, or he can give you a good short video. Clear?
Sir, I'm primarily a HR consultant, sir.
Oh, wonderful, Abhinandan. Okay, so your HR consultancy nallu, if I have to give HR, some client can talk that Abhinandan does a wonderful HR consultancy. Maybe is it manpower recruitment ಆಗಿರ್ಬೋದು, HR systems ಆಗಿರ್ಬೋದು, or salary ಇರ್ಬೋದು, or staffing issues ಇರ್ಬೋದು, whatever consultancies you are doing, you can literally take a video of a client and present it. That will be good. Now prepare to present. Plan what you want to tell. In the previous case, how should I present? These are the things. ಇದನ್ನೆಲ್ಲಾನು, say for example, ಒಂದು ಬಿಸಿಬೇಳೆ ಬಾತ್ ರೆಡಿ ಮಾಡ್ಕೋಬೇಕು ಅಂದ್ರೆ ಐಟಮ್ಸ್ ಎಲ್ಲ ರೆಡಿ ಮಾಡ್ಕೊಂಡಿದೆ. So these are the various elements of what you have to present, and how do I present, prepare for it, how do I do the preparation, plan what you want to tell. Take some time. What should I tell? Sometimes if you look at some of our television panel discussions ಆಗ್ತಿರುವಾಗ, some particular panelist, he wants to convey a specific idea or a specific item, but for some reason the first opening sentences ಆಗಿರ್ಬೋದು, or opening 30 seconds ಬೇರೆ ಯಾವುದೋ ವಿಷಯ ಹೇಳ್ಬಿಡ್ತಾರೆ. He gets bogged down. People will ask him to shut up. People will say, better ಇವೆಲ್ಲ ತಪ್ಪು ಹೇಳ್ತಿದ್ದೀರಾ, that is not, illa, you know, he'll be asking, illa, dayaviಟ್ಟು ಕೇಳಿ, this is not what I wanted to tell. No, what you don't have the chances, because here you want to sell or you want to grow your business, therefore you have to plan what you want to tell. This is what I will tell. If I tell something else, adu nange kelsa agalla. Start your preparation at least 1 or 2 weeks in advance. Write down the script. On script ಬರ್ಕೊಳ್ಳಿ, or you know, memorize something. When you want to memorize, you can't memorize blindly. Write it down, you know, or even ನಿಮ್ಮ word document ಅಥವಾ ನೀವು, if you are more a fantastic mobile man, mobile ನಲ್ಲೇ ಏನಾದರೂ word ಆ documents ಇದೆ ಅದರಲ್ಲೆಲ್ಲ punch ಮಾಡ್ಕೊಳ್ಳಿ. Write down, you know, type of whatever you want to do. Talk to couple of members, ask them what they would like to know. You know, say for example, our own Abhinandan wants to say that he's an HR consultant. What is it that the Wipro Business Forum nalli, what should he talk? Therefore, he will be able to get a referral. Okay, so he will ask him, okay, can I talk to Jayanti Rao, or can I talk to Ashok Dongre, because they are the people who have worked there. More importantly, Mr. Deshpande, he all his clients are industrial clients. So if they are the industrial clients, what should impress Mr. Deshpande so that Abhinandan can get connections to those industrial businesses? So he should ask them, what is it you would like to know? Then he may say, ನೀವು ಸ್ಟಾಫಿಂಗು ಮಾಡ್ತೀರಾ? He may say, ಇಲ್ಲ ಸರ್, ನಾನು ಸ್ಟಾಫಿಂಗ್ ಮಾಡಲ್ಲ, I am HR, only I do placement. Okay, then at least what is that particular placement? What levels of placement? At junior level, people use at junior mid levels nan ಮಾಡ್ತೀನಿ ಅಂತ. What is meant by junior level? Peons ಮಾಡ್ತೀರಾ, clerks ಮಾಡ್ತೀರಾ? What exactly? Do you think it is required at all? So what is it that people want to know? Prepare, ask 2-3 people so that you will invite. Invite the members to attend the presentation. Also bring in some guests. You know, prepare for it. Prepare a good, impressive bio sheet about your introduction. Okay, somebody makes an introduction. If somebody has to introduce Ravi, ND Ravi, about his matrimony, what sort of an introduction should Ravi get? Should we say that Ravi is a marriage broker anta helodu better? Illa. So there should be something beautiful. How did he start his matrimony services? What sort of an emotion he has built into that particular matrimony services? How did he get connected to that matrimony services? And therefore, then we will feel, okay, now Anuraga matrimony nalli, you know, connections madidre ಒಳ್ಳೆ ಸಂಬಂಧಗಳು ಸಿಗಬಹುದೇನೋ. You know, so sort of I think Ravi comes from a very big background. Ravi comes. So when we give a correct, clean bio sheet, ಸುಮ್ನೆ ಏನೋ ಬರಿಬೇಕಾ, ಯಾರಾದ್ರೂ ಹೇಳಿದ್ರೆ ಇಂಟ್ರೊಡಕ್ಷನ್ ಮಾಡ್ಬೇಕ್ರಿ, ನಿಮ್ದು ಏನಾದ್ರೂ ವಿಷಯ ಇದ್ರೆ ಕಳಿಸಿ. ವಿಜಯ್ ರಾವ್ ಲೆಕ್ಕ ತಗೊಳ್ಳಿ. He went through a lot of struggle. He is not a real estate fellow, accidental real estate person, but he is a really a businessman. So when we listen to some sort of an introduction, we should also get motivated. That introduction itself should motivate somebody else to get into that picture. Clear? So now I'm almost on the last slide as to how much time for each of it. Okay, RP is also here. Good, RP, nice to see you. Go ahead. Anything, any question? RP, clear illappa? Good morning, Rajendra. RP. Okay, anything, any doubts, questions on this before I go on to the timing? Non-clear ilva atha?
Sir, clear. Sir, clear.
I'm clear. Okay. Yardu have everybody moved away? Tumba hottu gondidini anta.
Rajendra Prasad, I think you want to speak.
Yeah, Rajendra Prasad, you want to tell anything? Illa. RP do signal clear agilva.
Yes.
Sorry, but I was traveling, so I could not join in advance.
Okay. Heli RP before we go to Vijay.
No, Dr. KK, in fact, I have attended a couple of sessions of yours.
Sir,
Right now, today, of course, I have many questions.
RP, ನಿಮ್ದು ಕನೆಕ್ಷನ್ ಕರೆಕ್ಟ್ ಆಗಿಲ್ಲ ಅನ್ಸುತ್ತೆ.
Yes, sir.
chat box ಅಲ್ಲಿ ಹಾಕಿ ಸರ್.
ಸ್ವಲ್ಪ ಮೊಬೈಲ್ ಡಾಟಾ ವೀಕ್ ಇದೆ ಅಂತ ಕಾಣುತ್ತೆ.
Yeah, yeah.
Please put it in the chat box, sir. I will take it.
Yeah, sure.
Okay, Vijay, ಹೇಳಿ.
Vijay Rao, you can continue, Vijay Rao.
Sir, I have a small concern. While asking for a testimonial from a client, sometimes we feel a video testimonial. I'm saying we feel a little kind of a reservation. So how to overcome that? Because it's like I am bragging about myself and asking somebody else to help me out in getting that. So what are the correct ways of approaching somebody to give us a video testimonial or any testimonial for that matter? Because it should not seem that I'm bragging too much or I'm trying to blow my own trumpet kind of a thing. So what would be the appropriate approach to ask for a testimonial from a client?
Actually, Sir Ram Prasad, I am adding to Vijay Rao's this one as well, because I am many people they're not giving this one little bit hesitate to give the video testimonials because I approached them many people, but they are given only in writing. But many people are hesitating to give in video testimonials.
Okay, anybody else?
My question is not hesitation of the client, hesitation on my part to ask. Maybe if I ask, maybe they will give.
As you mentioned, Vijay sir, so that is we are not. I think I'm not properly approaching them to give the testimonials. That is what my concern as well.
So Vijay, I don't know how many you have actually approached your own good frame without hesitancy. Okay.
I have never asked. It's a kind of a hesitation. I'm still to go to that level of asking.
Yeah. So if you're hesitant, anybody, very difficult. Okay. If you're hesitant to tell somebody that you're in love with her, ಬೇರೆಯವರು ಯಾರೋ ಓಡಿಸ್ಕೊಂಡು ಹೊರಟೋಗಿರ್ತಾರೆ. Okay.
It has happened, sir.
Yeah. So ನೋಡಿ. Alva. So we don't. So therefore, you have to tell. Now, all my slides I have mentioned the word tell it. Okay. Keli. If you don't ask correctly, you don't tell correctly, ನಿಮ್ಗೆ ಸಿಗಲ್ಲ. You will ಬೇರೆ ಯಾವುದೋ ಇನ್ನೊಂದು ಐಟಮ್ ಆಗುತ್ತೆ. Okay. So go ahead, ask. Yes, Pradeep. Vadukeri.
Nothing, sir. Just like.
Okay. Thank you.
Sir, Jayanti here, sir.
Jayanti, ಹೇಳಮ್ಮ.
ಸರ್ ಟೆಸ್ಟಿಮೋನಿಯಲ್ಸ್ ವಿಡಿಯೋ ಬಗ್ಗೆ ಹೇಳ್ತಿದ್ರಲ್ಲ, ಅವರು ನಮ್ಮ ಎದುರುಗಡೆ ಕೇಳಿದ್ರೆ ಪರ್ಸನಲಿ ಒಂದೊಂದು ಗಂಟೆ ಬೇಕಾದ್ರೆ ದೇ ವಿಲ್ ಸ್ಪೀಕ್ ಆನ್ ದಟ್. ಬಟ್ ಆಕ್ಚುಲಿ ವಿಡಿಯೋ ಬಂದಾಗ ಮೋಸ್ಟ್ ಆಫ್ ದೆಮ್ ಆರ್ ನಾಟ್ ರಿಯಲಿ ಒಂಥರ ನಂಗೆ ಆ ಸ್ಕಿಲ್ಸ್ ಗೊತ್ತಿಲ್ಲ. ಐ ಡೋಂಟ್ ನೋ. ಐ ಮೀನ್ ನಮ್ಗೆ ಆಕ್ಚುಲಿ ಫಸ್ಟ್ ಟೈಮ್ when I started my first video, ನನಗೆ ಆಲ್ಮೋಸ್ಟ್ 30 ಟೆಕ್ಸ್ಟ್ ತಗೊಂಡೆ ನಾನು. ಸೊ ದಟ್ ಕುಡ್ ಬಿ ದ ಮೇಜರ್ ಪ್ರಾಬ್ಲಮ್ ಆಗ್ತದೆ ಸರ್ ಎಲ್ಲರಿಗೂ. ನಾವ್ ಬೇಕಾದ್ರೆ ಹಂಗೆ ಹೇಳ್ತೀವಿ, ಇಲ್ಲ ಆಡಿಯೋ ಕಳಿಸ್ತೀವಿ ಅಂತಾರೆ. ಬಟ್ ವಿಡಿಯೋ I think that's one of the reason, but ಅವ್ರಿಗೆ ಒಂದ್ ಚಟ ತಗೊಳಕ್ ಆಗ್ತಾ ಇಲ್ಲ. So I think that
ಅದೆಲ್ಲ ಮರ್ತ್ಬಿಡಿಮ್ಮ. As I mentioned, you just need a 5-10 second video ಅಷ್ಟೇ. ಓಕೆ. ಒಂದ್ 4-5 ಅದನ್ನ ನೀವು ಹಾಕೊಂಡು ಕೊಲಾಜ್ ಮಾಡಿದ್ರು ಅದು 10 ಸೆಕೆಂಡ್ ಮಾಡ್ಕೋಬೇಕು ಅಂದ್ರೆ, say for example, if ಈ ತರ ಒಂದು ಡಾಕ್ಯುಮೆಂಟ್, okay, if I am showing some sort of a document, ನೀವು ಈ ತರ ಡಾಕ್ಯುಮೆಂಟ್ ನನಗೆ ಕೊಟ್ಬಿಟ್ಟು you may say, KK ಇದನ್ನ ಸ್ವಲ್ಪ ಓದ್ಬಿಡಿ, ನಾನು ಇಲ್ಲಿಂದ ಒಂದು ನನ್ನ ಮೊಬೈಲ್ ನಲ್ಲಿ ನಾನು ವಿಡಿಯೋ ತಗೊಂಡ್ಬಿಡ್ತೀನಿ.
ಪರ್ಸನಲಿ ಹೋದ್ರೆ ಕೊಡ್ತಾರೆ, ಬಟ್ ನಾವು ಹಂಗೆ ಮಾಡಿ ಕಳಿಸಿ ಅಂದ್ರೆ ಕಳಿಸ್ತಾ ಇಲ್ಲ. ಅದು ನಮಗೂ ಅದೇ ಪ್ರಾಬ್ಲಮ್ ಆಗ್ತದೆ.
ಇಲ್ಲ ಯಾರು ಮಾಡಿ ಕಳಿಸಲ್ಲ. It is not a question of hesitancy, it's a question of laziness. It's a question of okay. So
very true.
If I am enthusiastic to give some particular document, I will do it. More important, ಇದು hesitancy, laziness ಇಲ್ಲದೆ ಇದ್ರು how to take a video and how exactly to do it ಅನ್ನೋದು ಪ್ರಶ್ನೆ ಬರುತ್ತೆ.
ಕರೆಕ್ಟ್.
ಸೊ ಅವಾಗ ಏನಾಗುತ್ತೆ, ಲೈಕ್ ನಮ್ಮ ವಿಜಯ್ ರಾವ್ ಆಗಿರ್ಲಿ ರಾಮ್ ಪ್ರಸಾದ್ ಆಗಿರ್ಲಿ, ಯು ಸೆಲೆಕ್ಟ್ who the person from whom you want to take a video, you choose it. And as I mentioned, You please write down the script and go. ನೀವು ಏನಾದ್ರೂ ಮಾತಾಡಿ ಅಂದ್ರೆ ಅದು that is not right. Okay.
ಹೌದು.
ಏನಾದ್ರೂ ಹೇಳಿ that is not right. Clearly give him the script. Tell him, please sir, ಇದನ್ನ ನೀವು ಓದಿ ಸಾಕು. Okay. He'll be able to, or he may say ಒಂದೆರಡು words change ಮಾಡ್ಲಾ ಅಂತ.
Correct.
That's okay. At least you are framing a sentence for him, framing a paragraph for him. They will do. ಇಲ್ಲ ಅಂದ್ರೆ ಯೋಚನೆ ಮಾಡಿ ನಾನ್ ಟೆಸ್ಟಿಮೋನಿ ಕೊಡಲ್ಲ. ಅದ್ಯಾ ನಾನು ಯಾಕೆ ತಲೆ ಕೆಡಿಸ್ಕೋಬೇಕು?
ಹೌದು ಹೌದು, ದಟ್ಸ್ ನಾಟ್ ದೇರ್ ಪ್ರಯಾರಿಟಿ ಅಲ್ವಾ ಸರ್?
ಅಲ್ವಾ? ಸೊ
ದಟ್ ಇಸ್ ನಾಟ್ ದೇರ್ ಪ್ರಯಾರಿಟಿ.
ನಮಗ್ ಪ್ರಯಾರಿಟಿ ಇದೆ, ನಮಗದ್ ಮುಖ್ಯ. Therefore, write the script, take your mobile, ನಿಮ್ ಮೊಬೈಲ್ ಫೋನ್ ಪ್ರಾಪರ್ಲಿ ಚಾರ್ಜ್ ಇರ್ಬೇಕು ಅಂಡ್ ಮೊಬೈಲ್ ಮೆಮೊರಿನೂ ಇರ್ಬೇಕು. ಓಕೆ, ಅಲ್ಲಿ ಹೋಗಿ ನಾಟಕ ಮಾಡ್ಬೇಡಿ. ಅಯ್ಯೋ ಬ್ಯಾಟ್ರಿ ಆಗೋಯ್ತು, ಒಂದ್ ಸ್ವಲ್ಪ ಒಂದ್ 10 ನಿಮಿಷ ಚಾರ್ಜ್ ಮಾಡ್ಬಿಟ್ಟು ಆಮೇಲೆ ತಗೊಳ್ತೀನಿ ಅಂದ್ರೆ ಅವ್ನು ಹೇಳ್ಬೋದು, ಇಲ್ಲಮ್ಮ ನಾನು 2 ನಿಮಿಷ ಕಾಯ್ತಿದ್ದೆ ಜಯಂತಿ, ನೀವು ಲೇಟ್ ಆಗಿ ಬಂದಿದ್ದೀರಾ, ನಾನು ಮನೆಗೆ ಹೋಗ್ಬೇಕು, ಬಾಯ್ ಅಂತ ಹೊರಟಾಗ್ತಾರೆ. ಸೊ ಯು ಗೋ ಪ್ರಿಪೇರ್ಡ್ ಪ್ರಾಪರ್ಲಿ. ಓಕೆ, ಯು ವಿಲ್ ಗೆಟ್ ಇಟ್.
ಹೌದು ಹೌದು ಸರ್, ವೆರಿ ಟ್ರೂ.
ಸರ್ ದಿಸ್ ಇಸ್ ರಾಘವೇಂದ್ರ ಪುರೋಹಿತ್.
ಹೇಳಿ ರಾಘವೇಂದ್ರ
ಸರ್. ಈಗ ಬೇರೆ ಇನ್ನೊಂದು ಪ್ಲಾಟ್ಫಾರ್ಮ್ ಅಲ್ಲಿ ಇರುತ್ತೆ, ಅಂದ್ರೆ ಅಕ್ರಾಸ್ ದ ಪ್ಲಾಟ್ಫಾರ್ಮ್. ಸೊ ಐ ಗಾಟ್ ದ ಬಿಸ್ನೆಸ್ ಫ್ರಮ್ some other platform and they want to give that person is giving a very good testimonial.
Okay,
but that platform is not that well known. In that case, can that testimonial be used in some other platform? I mean, will it be impressive to use it in other platform?
Okay ರಾಘವೇಂದ್ರ, ಈಗ ನಿಮ್ಗೆ ಟೆಸ್ಟಿಮೋನಿಯಲ್ ನಲ್ಲಿ ಅವರು ಏನು ಹೇಳ್ತಾರೆ?
It's about
ನಿಮ್ ಪ್ರಾಡಕ್ಟ್ ಸರ್ವಿಸಸ್ ಅಲ್ವಾ? ನಿಮ್ ಪ್ರಾಡಕ್ಟ್ ಸರ್ವಿಸಸ್ ಬಗ್ಗೆ ಹೇಳ್ತಾರೆ ಅಷ್ಟೇ ಅಲ್ವಾ?
Yes sir.
He is not going to talk about the platform.
Okay.
ಅಲ್ವಾ?
Yes sir.
Or is he say that ವಿಪ್ರಾ ಬಿಸ್ನೆಸ್ ಫೋರಂ ನಲ್ಲಿರೋ ಮಿಸ್ಟರ್ ಗಣಪತಿ ಭಟ್ ಅವರು ಅಂತ ಹೇಳ್ತಾರ, ಅಥವಾ ಸಿಂಪ್ಲಿ ಅವಿಘ್ನ ಗಣಪತಿ ಭಟ್ ಅಂತ ಹೇಳ್ತಾರ? ಅಲ್ವಾ?
ಗಣಪತಿ ಭಟ್ ಅವರ ಹೆಸರು ಹೇಳ್ತಾರೆ
ಅಷ್ಟೇ. ಸೊ ಗಣಪತಿ ಭಟ್ ಕ್ಯಾನ್ ಯೂಸ್ ಇಟ್ ಎನಿವೇರ್ ಬಾಬಾ. ಅದ್ರಲ್ಲಿ ಏನ್ ರೆಸ್ಟ್ರಿಕ್ಷನ್ಸ್ ಏನಿರಲ್ವಲ್ಲ.
It's not about restrictions, sir.
There is no copyright. There is no copyright that he has. ನೀವು ನೋಡಿ, ನೀವು ವಿಪ್ರಾ ಇದಕ್ಕೆ ನಾನು ಹೇಳಿದ್ದೀನಿ, therefore please don't use it in some other business forum. ಅದೇನಿಲ್ಲ. So therefore when somebody talks of say ರಾಘವೇಂದ್ರ ಪುರೋಹಿತ್ ಅವರ ಇನ್ಶೂರೆನ್ಸ್ ಸರ್ವಿಸಸ್ ಬಗ್ಗೆ, he is talking about ರಾಘವೇಂದ್ರ Purohit insurance service. Okay, that's all. He is not.
I'm not talking about the. I'm talking about the value proposition or the impression that it brings here.
Anywhere, Baba. Nimge, if a client is talking good about you, a client is going to promote a good benefit or the fact, the feature, advantage and benefit of your product and services. Please use it for every forum. Elli helidrunu ಈಗ anybody is talking or speech ಕೊಡ್ತಿದ್ದಾಗ್ಲೂ people will say ಮೊನ್ನೆ ಯಾರು so and so ಬಗ್ಗೆ ಒಳ್ಳೆ ವಿಷಯಗಳು ಹೇಳ್ತಿದ್ರು. Okay, so that's a reference. Use it any forum. That's it. So long as they are not using the word forum of that particular forum of a particular business association. Okay, so therefore you please prepare your own dialogues ಕ್ಲಿಯರ್ ಆಗಿ. ಅವ್ರಿಗೆ ಹೋಗಿ ಡೈಲಾಗ್ ಕೊಟ್ಬಿಡಿ, ಈ ಡೈಲಾಗ್ಸ್ ಓದ್ಬಿಡಿ ಸರ್ ಅಂತ ಕ್ಲೀನ್ ಆಗಿ ಮಾಡ್ತಾರೆ.
Okay sir, thank you sir.
Thank you. Okay, good. So now we'll go to the last slide and then let's open up for our before people get. So presentation typically on the product ತಗೊಂಡ್ರೆ how you came into current business essential. So how Ram Prasad was into IT sector for a long time. ಅಲ್ವಾ? ಒಂದು HP ನಲ್ಲೋ ಎಲ್ಲೋ HCL ಆ ತರ IT ಕಂಪನಿಗಳೆಲ್ಲ ಇದ್ಬಿಟ್ಟು ಇವಾಗ ಸೋಪ್ಗಳು, ಬಟ್ಟೆಗಳು, ಬಿಸ್ಕೆಟ್ಸ್ ಮಾರ್ತಿದ್ದಾರೆ. How did he come? Why did he come? There should be some sort of a entrepreneurship zeal ಬಂತು, ಅಥವಾ ನನಗೆ ಅದೆಲ್ಲ ಪ್ರಪಂಚ ಎಲ್ಲ ಸುತ್ತಾ ಇದೆ, ಬೇಜಾರಾಯ್ತು, therefore I wanted to do something cool, so I came into this business. Give a positive introduction. Like Vijay Rao, I keep using his name very frequently for a simple reason. He has gone through, nobody gave him a proper accommodation, therefore he became a real estate agent. If somebody would have given him a nice accommodation, I don't know whether Vijay Rao would have been into real estate at all. Okay, somebody did not gave an opportunity for repair to Ganpati, but therefore he became an IT maintenance person. Okay, so you have to have some story which you have to tell why your introduction admelu. You cannot say anyway people have introduced me, therefore everybody knows me. Illa, you tell something which is not known to others, something which somebody does not know. So some idondu 60 seconds to give you a brief introduction. So tell about your first product services. Tell about the customer. Whenever you're talking about product services, maximum use the customer segments. ಈ ತರ ಕಸ್ಟಮರ್ಸ್ಗೆ ನನ್ನ ಪ್ರಾಡಕ್ಟ್ಸ್ ಹೋಗುತ್ತೆ, ಈ ಜಾಗದಲ್ಲಿ ಅವ್ರು ಯೂಸ್ ಮಾಡ್ತಾರೆ. that becomes easier for us to remember. Tell what connects you can give. Okay, so can Ganpati Bhatt give some 10 shop connects to Karthik, and can Karthik give 10 shop connects where the IT systems need repair and maintenance to Ganpati Bhatt? Okay, so avaga ನೀವು mutual connections ಕೊಡೋಕ್ಕೂ ಸಾಧ್ಯ ಆಗುತ್ತೆ. So this is the connections I can give. What connects you want, what to look for to bring the connection. ಈ ತರ ಇರಬೇಕು. Sometime back I was talking to a particular marriage connection ಆಗಿರ್ಬೋದು ಅಥವಾ ಇನ್ನೊಂದು ಕನೆಕ್ಷನ್ ಆಗಿರ್ಬೋದು. ಇವೆಲ್ಲ ಇಲ್ಲಿ ಕೆಲಸ ಆಗತ್ತಾ ಆಗಲ್ವಾ? What should I look out? Somebody may say that ನನ್ನ ನೇಮ್ ಬೋರ್ಡ್ ಕರೆಕ್ಟ್ ಆಗಿಲ್ಲ ರೀ, ಅದ್ರದ್ದು ಕಲರ್ಸ್ ಎಲ್ಲ ಹಳೇದಾಗ್ತಿದೆ. Oh, I know Jaitirtha, he can do it. Shall I connect you to him? Okay, some sort of a connection. Which other contacts can help you? Some other contacts also can help. A related contacts can help. Let us say, for example, you have been in the IT field. You know some of the IT connections. Like ನಮ್ಮ ಅಭಿನಂದನ್ ಅವ್ರು ನಾವು ತಗೊಂಡ್ರೆ, he is into HR field ಅಂತ ಇದ್ದಾಗ, he may be knowing a lot of corporate companies where he is supplying manpower. If they are having any canteen, do you think for their canteen Ram Prasad's food materials can be supplied? Okay, if they're having some of the employees, and if that employees require insurance, can we connect to Raghavendra Purohit? Can Abhinandan do that connection? These are the areas which the other contacts, the mutual contacts that can go about it. Give some time for any of the question and answers. So this gives you a brief. When you do a presentation, break all of these components. Why did you come? What elements? What connections you can give? How those connections can help you? And what sort of a connections you are looking for? What are your highly important or visible connections that we can give you? Okay, so now this is about it, and thank you. Now any questions, anything you want, or has it been useful for you? Are you more confused? Yeah, you can let me know. So that will also be like my testimonial and feedback for me also. Alva Ravi. Ravi Kumar, ND.
Thank you, sir. This was actually a kind of polishing to, whatever we had in mind. It was a refresher for us. So there were so many things that we studied during our MBA days, but now we had completely disconnected from it, once we got into the corporate jobs and started business. But yeah, the whole presentation was really refreshing, sir. Thank you so much.
Thank you, Abhinandan. Thank you, appreciate it.
Yes, Vijay.
Sir, I have been into this presentation for quite some time now. But as I say, these are all very simple fundamentals. But as I always say, common things are pretty uncommon. So, but definitely hats off to Dr. Krishna Kumar that he has opened up a lot of avenues to learn, and especially some fundamentals which I thought probably I was doing it correct, but it got polished today, and I'm sure from now on my presentation will have a different outlook, different reach, and it will be even more better. Thanks a lot, sir. It was really wonderful attending this session. Thank you. Thanks a lot.
Thank you.
Mr. Ashok. Mr. Ashok.
Yes, sir.
Can you add some word with Vijay?
ಕೃಷ್ಣಕುಮಾರ್ ಜಿ ಅವರ ಮಾತಿಗೆ ನಾವು ಬಹುಶಃ ಕಾಮೆಂಟ್ ಆಡ್ ಮಾಡೋದು ಸ್ವಲ್ಪ ಕಷ್ಟವೇನೋ, ಬಟ್ ಸ್ಟಿಲ್ ಸರ್ ಥ್ಯಾಂಕ್ ಯು ಸೋ ಮಚ್. ನಿಜ, ಈಗ ನಮ್ಮ ಕೋ ಮೆಂಬರ್ ಒಬ್ರು ಹೇಳಿದ ಹಾಗೆ ಅಫ್ಕೋರ್ಸ್ ಕಲ್ತಿರ್ತೇವೆ, ಬಟ್ ಹಲವಾರು ಕಾರಣಗಳಿಂದ, ಹಲವಾರು ಸಮಸ್ಯೆಗಳಿಂದ, ಮೇ ಬಿ ಸ್ಟ್ರೆಸ್ ಇಂದಾಗಿ ಹಲವು ಸ್ಕಿಲ್ಗಳನ್ನ ಮರೀತಾ ಬರ್ತೇವೆ. ಅಂಡ್ ಥ್ಯಾಂಕ್ ಯು, ಥ್ಯಾಂಕ್ಸ್ ಅ ಲಾಟ್ ಸರ್, ಥ್ಯಾಂಕ್ಸ್ ಫಾರ್ ಬೀಯಿಂಗ್ ಹಿಯರ್.
Thank you, Ashok. Thank you. Was
Anybody
it
else?
useful? ಜಯಂತಿ ಅವ್ರಿಗೆ ಯೂಸ್ಫುಲ್ ಆಗಿತ್ತಾ?
ಹೌದು ಸರ್,
ಟ್ರೈ ಮಾಡ್ತಿರ್ತಾರೆ.
Very useful, sir.
kind of refreshing,
Add
sir.
any words?
Hello,
Yes, Ram
sir,
sir.
ಕೇಳಿಸ್ತಿದ್ಯಾ?
ಹಾ, ಕೇಳಿಸ್ತಾ ಇದೆ ಮೇಡಮ್, ಹೇಳಿ.
ಸರ್, ಇಟ್ ವಾಸ್ ಕೈಂಡ್ ಆಫ್ ಸ್ಪೀಡ್ ಬ್ರೇಕರ್ ಫಾರ್ ಅಸ್. ನಾವು ತುಂಬಾ ಕಲ್ತ್ಕೊಂಡ್ಬಿಟ್ಟಿದೀವಿ. ನಮ್ ಎಕ್ಸ್ಪೀರಿಯನ್ಸ್ ಅಲ್ಲಿ ನಮ್ಗೆಲ್ಲ ಗೊತ್ತಿದೆ ಅನ್ನೋ ಅಂತ ಒಂದು ಭ್ರಮೆಯಲ್ಲಿ ಇದ್ವಿ ಅನ್ಸ್ತು. ಸೊ ನಿಮ್ ಟಾಕ್ ಕೇಳಿದ್ಮೇಲೆ ಹೌದು, ವಿ ಆಲ್ಸೋ ಲರ್ನ್ ಲಾಟ್ ಆಫ್ ಥಿಂಗ್ಸ್. ಎವ್ರಿ ಡೇ ಇಸ್ ಎ ಲರ್ನಿಂಗ್ ಫಾರ್ ಅಸ್ ಅಂತ. ಇಟ್ ವಾಸ್ ಐ ಓಪನರ್ ಫಾರ್ ಅಸ್. ಥ್ಯಾಂಕ್ಸ್ ಫಾರ್ ವಂಡರ್ಫುಲ್ ಸೆಷನ್, ಸರ್.
Thank you. Anyway, Vijay, I will drop this into PDF. I will put it in the VBF group ನಲ್ಲಿ ಹಾಕ್ತೀನಿ. Apart from whoever has attended.
Thank you, sir. Thanks, sir.
I'll do that after our call.
Jaitirtha sir, can you conclude the meeting by thanking Mr. Krishna Kumar?
ಸರ್, ನಿಮ್ಮನ್ನ ಬಹಳ ಮುಂಚೆಯಿಂದ ನಾವು ಈ ನಿರೀಕ್ಷೆಯಲ್ಲಿ ಇದ್ವಿ, ನಮ್ಗೆಲ್ಲರೂ ಒಂದು ಗೈಡ್ ಮಾಡ್ತೀರಾ ಅಂತೇಳಿ. ತುಂಬಾ ಒಳ್ಳೆಯ ನಮ್ಗೆ ರಿಕ್ವೈರ್ಡ್ ಏನ್ ಬೇಕಿತ್ತು, ನಮ್ಮಲ್ಲಿ ಅನೇಕ ಜನ ಮೆಂಬರ್ ಆದ್ವಿ, ಆದ್ರೆ ಹೇಗೆ ಬೆನಿಫಿಟ್ ತಗೊಳ್ಳೋದು ಅಂತ ನಮ್ಗೆ ಗೊತ್ತಾಗ್ತಾ ಇರ್ಲಿಲ್ಲ. ಪ್ರತಿಯೊಂದನ್ನು ಇವತ್ತು ಒಟ್ಟಾರೆಯಾಗಿ ಹೇಳಿದೀರಾ ಅಂತ ಅನ್ಸುತ್ತೆ. ಒಳ್ಳೆ ರೆಫರಲ್ ಹೇಗ್ ತಗೊಳ್ಳೋದು, ಅಥವಾ ನಮ್ಗೆ ರೆಫರಲ್ ಚೆನ್ನಾಗಿರೋದು ಬರ್ಬೇಕು ಅಂತಂದ್ರೆ, ಉದಾಹರಣೆಗೆ ನಂದೇ ಉದಾಹರಣೆ ತಗೊಂಡ್ರಿ, ನನ್ಗೆ ಖುಷಿ ಆಯ್ತು. ಅಂದ್ರೆ ನನ್ಗೂ ಇದೊಂದು ಎಜುಕೇಶನ್ ಅಂತ ಅನ್ಸ್ತು ಇವತ್ತಿನ ದಿವಸ. ಇದು ಇನ್ನು ಮುಂದುವರಿದ ಭಾಗವಾಗಿ ರೆಫರಲ್ಗೆ ಒಂದ್ ಸೆಷನ್ ತಗೊಳ್ಬಹುದು ಅಂತ ಅನ್ಸುತ್ತೆ ನಿಮ್ಮ ಇವತ್ತು ಸೆಷನ್ ನೋಡಿದಂಗೆ, ಅಥವಾ ಒಂದು ಟೆಸ್ಟಿಮೋನಿಯಲ್ಗೆ ಇನ್ನೊಂದು ಸೆಷನ್ ತಗೊಳ್ಬಹುದು ಅಂತ ಅನ್ಸುತ್ತೆ. ಇದನ್ನ ಪಾರ್ಟ್ ಆಗಿ ಇನ್ನೊಂದಷ್ಟು ನಮ್ಗೆ ನೀವು ಕೊಡೋದು, ಬಹಳ ಗೈಡ್ ಮಾಡೋದು ಅಂತ ಇದೆ ಅಂತ ನನ್ಗನ್ಸುತ್ತೆ. ಇವತ್ತಿನ ಕೊಟ್ಟಿರೋ ಒಂದ್ ಸಮಯದಲ್ಲಿ ಪೂರ್ತಿ ನಮ್ BBF ನ ಹೇಗೆ ಒಟ್ಟಾರೆ ಯೂಸ್ ಮಾಡ್ಕೊಳ್ಬಹುದು, ಹಾಗೆ ಪ್ರೆಸೆಂಟೇಶನ್ ನ ಎಷ್ಟು ಚೆನ್ನಾಗಿ ಕೊಡ್ಬೋದು ಅಂತ ಅನ್ನೋದನ್ನ ಬಹಳ ಚೆನ್ನಾಗಿ ಅರ್ಥಪೂರ್ಣವಾಗಿ ತಿಳಿಸ್ಕೊಟ್ಟಿದ್ದೀರಿ. ನನ್ನ ಕಡೆಯಿಂದ ಮತ್ತು BBF ಕಡೆಯಿಂದ ನಿಮ್ಗೆ ತುಂಬಾ ಧನ್ಯವಾದಗಳು ಮತ್ತು ಆಭಾರಿಯನ್ನ ವ್ಯಕ್ತಪಡಿಸಕ್ಕೆ ಇಷ್ಟಪಡ್ತೀನಿ. ಓವರ್ ಟು ರವಿ ಸರ್. ಥ್ಯಾಂಕ್ ಯು ವೆರಿ ಮಚ್.
ಐ ಥಿಂಕ್ ಕೃಷ್ಣ ಕುಮಾರ್ ಸರ್, ನೀವು ಪ್ರತಿಯೊಬ್ಬರದ್ದು ಹೆಸರು ಎಕ್ಸಾಂಪಲ್ ತಗೊಂಡು, ನಿಮಗೆ BBF ಅಲ್ಲಿ ಯಾರ್ಯಾರ್ದು ಏನೇನ್ ಮಾಡ್ತಾರೆ ಅಂತ ಗೊತ್ತಿದೆ ಅಷ್ಟು ಜನದ್ದು ಹೆಸರು ತಗೊಂಡು ಎಲ್ಲಾರನ್ನೂ ಒಂದು ಎಕ್ಸಾಂಪಲ್ ಆಗಿ ತಗೊಂಡು ಅವರಿಗೆ ಏನೇನ್ ಮಾಡ್ಬೋದು ಅಂತ ಎಕ್ಸ್ಪ್ಲೇನ್ ಮಾಡಿದ್ದೀರಾ. ಇಟ್ಸ್ ವೆರಿ ಗುಡ್ ಪ್ರೆಸೆಂಟೇಶನ್ ಅಂಡ್ ನಮ್ಗೆ ನಿಜವಾಗ್ಲೂ ಎಲ್ರಿಗೂ ಹೆಲ್ಪ್ ಆಗುತ್ತೆ.
ಸರ್, ಇನ್ನೊಂದು ಕ್ವಶನ್ಸ್
ಹೇಳಿ ಮಾಡ್ತೀರಿ. ಅದು
ಇವಾಗ ಈ ಪ್ರೆಸೆಂಟೇಷನ್ಸ್ ಅಲ್ಲಿ ವೆಲ್ಕಮಿಂಗ್ ಒಂದು ಇರೋದು, ಆಮೇಲೆ ಡಿಪಾರ್ಚರ್ ಅಥವಾ ಕನ್ಕ್ಲೂಡಿಂಗ್ ಅಲ್ಲಿ ಏನೋ ಒಂದು ಸ್ಮಾಲ್ ಟೋಕನ್ ಪ್ರೆಸೆಂಟೇಷನ್ಸ್ ಅದು ಇನ್ಕ್ಲೂಡ್ ಆಗಬೇಕು. ನಾನು ಅಂತ ಇರೋದು ಇಟ್ ಇಸ್ ರಿಲೇಟೆಡ್ ಟು ಒಂದ್ ತರ ಅಥವಾ ಏನೋ ಒಂದು ಮೀಟಿಂಗ್ ಪ್ರೆಸೆಂಟೇಷನ್ ಅಟೆಂಡ್ ಆದಾಗ ಮೇ ಬಿ ಯು ಕ್ಯಾನ್ ಗಿಫ್ಟ್ ಪೆನ್ ಅಥವಾ ಈ ತರ ಹೇಳ್ತಾ ಇದ್ದೀನಿ ನಾನು, ವಿತ್ ಕಂಪ್ನಿ ಲೋಗೋ ಹಾಕಿ ಆದ್ಮೇಲೆ.
So that is left up to you as to what you want to do.
Yes sir, of course it depends on budget. Yeah, understand.
The budget ಸಿದ್ದು, for example ರಾಮ್ ಪ್ರಸಾದ್ ಅವ್ರು ಏನಾದ್ರು ಮಾಡ್ಬೇಕು ಅಂತ ಎಲ್ಲಾರ್ಗು ಸೋಪಲ್ಲಿ ಕೊಡ್ತಾ ಹೋದ್ರೆ
ಸೋಪ್ ಅಂತಲ್ಲ, ಮೇ ಬಿ ಆ ಸ್ಮಾಲರ್ ಟೋಕನ್ ಅಂತ ಹಿಂಗೆ ಇರ್ಲಿ ಅಂತ.
ಇಲ್ಲ, I understand.
Good suggestion sir, it's good suggestion.
Yeah,
it depends on the presenter.
It depends on the presenter what he can give. ಅವ್ರದ್ದು ಯೋಗ್ಯತೆ ತಕ್ಕಂತೆ ಅವರು ಪೆನ್ಗಳು is a good gift when somebody. So now ಆ ವಿಷಯ ಬಂದಾಗ, when we are trying to give a gift to somebody, I would always say that first see who in our own BBF ನಲ್ಲಿ ಈ ತರ ಕಾರ್ಪೊರೇಟ್ ಗಿಫ್ಟ್ಸ್ ಮಾಡೋರು ಇದ್ದಾರೆ. Okay, and then if say for example Karthik can make the pen ಮೇಲೆ Pradeep Vadkari ಅಂತ ಪ್ರಿಂಟ್ ಏನಾದ್ರು ಮಾಡ್ಕೊಳಕ್ಕಾಗತ್ತೆ. ಓಕೆ, ಸೊ ಪ್ಲೀಸ್ ಗಿವ್ ಇಟ್ ಟು ಕಾರ್ತಿಕ್. That is the first essential things which we have to look for. Okay, thank you.
Okay, thank you, sir.
I will share this document for the larger benefit of the VBF. Or rest of the thing. Maybe we can have one session on referrals generation, how to ask referral, how to generate referral, how to give referral. It's not question of everybody is asking referral, but how to generate, ಈಗ ಸಿಂಪಲ್ ಆಗಿ ನಿಮಗೊಂದು ಉದಾಹರಣೆಗೆ ನಾನು ಹೇಳಿದೆ, Abhinandan can give a referral to 100 people in this one because if he comes from the corporate background. ನಾವು ಕೇಳಿದ್ದೀವ ಅವ್ರನ್ನ? ನಾವು ಕೇಳಲಿಲ್ಲ ಅಲ್ವಾ? Or we don't know who is this man called Abhinandan, what he does in HR alva. Okay,
sir, my name is Vindhya. Sorry to interrupt. Since ನೀವು referral ಬಗ್ಗೆ ಮಾತಾಡಿದಾಗ I just had a point. ಈಗ ಸುಮಾರು ಒಂದು 3-4 ಜನ ನನಗೆ ಔಟ್ಸೈಡ್ VBF ಸಿಕ್ಕಿದ್ರು. They all had some negative feedback about VBF, saying ನಾವು VBF ನ ಬಿಟ್ಬಿಟ್ವಿ because ಇಲ್ಲಿ ಏನಾಗುತ್ತೆ, ಗ್ರೂಪ್ ಅಲ್ಲಿ ಏನಾದ್ರು ಹಾಕಿದ ತಕ್ಷಣ ಯಾರೋ ಇನ್ನೊಬ್ರದ್ದು ರೆಫರಲ್ ತಗೊಂಡು ಬರ್ತಾರೆ. ಸೊ ಅದೇ ಹೆಸರು ರಿಪೀಟ್ ಆಗತ್ತೆ, ಅವ್ರಿಗೆ ಬಿಸ್ನೆಸ್ ಹೋಗುತ್ತೆ. ಹಂಗಾಗಿ ನಮ್ಗೆಲ್ಲ ಆಪರ್ಚುನಿಟಿನೇ ಸಿಗ್ತಿರ್ಲಿಲ್ಲ. ಸೊ ಹಂಗಾಗಿ ಬಿಡ್ಬೇಕಾದ ಪರಿಸ್ಥಿತಿ ಬಂದ್ಬಿಡ್ತು. ತುಂಬಾ ಬೇಜಾರಾಯ್ತು, ಯಾಕೆಂದ್ರೆ ಅವ್ರವ್ರ ಹೆಸರು ಮಾತ್ರನೇ ತಗೊಳ್ತಾರೆ, ನಮ್ಗೆ ಆಪರ್ಚುನಿಟೀಸೇ ಕೊಡ್ತಿಲ್ಲ. ಈವನ್ ದೋ ವಿ ಪೋಸ್ಟ್ ಆಡ್ಸ್ ಇರ್ಬೋದು ಹಾಕಿದ್ರು ಸಿಗ್ತಾ ಇಲ್ಲ, ಅದಕ್ಕೆ ಬೇಜಾರಾಗಿ ಬಿಟ್ಬಿಟ್ವಿ ಅಂತ. ಐ ಸೆಡ್ ಓಕೆ, ನಿಮ್ದು 100% ಎಫರ್ಟ್ ಇರೋದು ಇಂಪಾರ್ಟೆಂಟ್ ಆಗತ್ತೆ. ಹಂಗೆ ನೀವು ಬೇರೆಯವ್ರ ಜೊತೆ ಎಷ್ಟು ಇಂಟ್ರಾಕ್ಟ್ ಮಾಡ್ತೀರಾ ಅನ್ನೋದನ್ನು ಗಮನ ಇಟ್ಕೊಳ್ಬೇಕಾಗತ್ತೆ. ಯು ಕಾಂಟ್ ಜಸ್ಟ್ ಬ್ಲೇಮ್ VBF ಅಂತ. ಬಟ್ ಈ ತರ ಆಗಿರೋದ್ರಿಂದ ಐ ಡೋಂಟ್ ನೋ ಹೌ ಟು ಕನ್ವಿನ್ಸ್ ಪೀಪಲ್.
ಇಲ್ಲ, for simple example amma, it is how much people take interest in knowing people. Okay, iga I say for example, I may not know so many people, but I know most of people in business ಮಾಡ್ತಿರ್ತಾರೆ. So whatever reference comes to me, I personally pass on to them. Okay, ಅವ್ರಿಗೆ ಪರ್ಸನಲ್ ವಿಂಡೋ ನಲ್ಲಿ ಹಾಕ್ತೀನಿ, ನೋಡ್ಕೊಳ್ರಪ್ಪ ಇದರ ಕನೆಕ್ಷನ್ ಇದೆ ಮಾಡಿ ಅಂತ. ಓಕೆ, I may not know maybe who can give it and all. One essential ನಾನು ಇವಾಗ ನಿಮ್ಗೆ ಹೇಳಿರ್ತಾರ ಅವ್ರಿಗೆ ಹೇಳಕ್ ಹೋಗ್ತಿದ್ದಾಗ, ರೆಫರಲ್ ಮ್ಯಾನೇಜ್ಮೆಂಟ್ ಒಂದು ಸಪರೇಟ್ ಆಗಿ ಒಂದು 1 hour ಕ್ಲಾಸ್ we can have some time whenever possible. You have to first know who can give what. I don't know your business ಅಂತ ತಿಳ್ಕೊಂಡಿರಿ. ಸೊ ಫಾರ್ ಎಕ್ಸಾಂಪಲ್ ನಮ್ಮ ನಿಮ್ ಈಗಲೇ ಹೇಳಿದ್ದೆಲ್ಲ, ಲೈಕ್ ನಮ್ಮ ದೇಶಪಾಂಡೆ ಅವರು, he is into pre-engineered building and all his pre-engineered building goes to industries ಅಲ್ವಾ? ನಾವು ಎಷ್ಟು ಜನ ದೇಶಪಾಂಡೆ ಅವರು ಯಾವ ಇಂಡಸ್ಟ್ರೀಸ್ಗೆ ಬಿಸ್ನೆಸ್ ಮಾಡ್ತಿದ್ದಾರೆ ಅಂತ ಕೇಳಿದೀವ? ಇಲ್ಲ, ಕೇಳಿಲ್ಲ. ಯಾರ್ದು ಮಿಸ್ಟೇಕು? ದೇಶಪಾಂಡೆ ಅವ್ರದ್ದು ಅಲ್ವಲ್ಲ?
ಇಲ್ಲ.
So when you know these are the people, like say anybody, ನಮ್ ಗಣಪತಿ ಭಟ್ ಅವ್ರು ಎಷ್ಟೋ ಶಾಪ್ಸ್ ಹೋಗ್ತಾ ಇರಬಹುದು. Karthik, if he does not know which are the shops where Ganpati Bhatt is going or supplying, and Karthik can go with Ganpati Bhatt and tell them that Karthik, he will take care of your GST and connections ಕೊಡ್ಬೋದಲ್ವಾ? ಕಾರ್ತಿಕ್ ಗಣಪತಿ ಭಟ್ ಹೋಗೋದು ಬಿಡಿ, ಮಾತಾಡ್ಸೋದು ಇಲ್ಲ ಅಂದ್ರೆ ಯಾರ್ದು ತಪ್ಪು?
ಎಕ್ಸಾಕ್ಟ್ಲಿ.
ಕಾರ್ತಿಕ್ ಬಿಸ್ನೆಸ್ ಬರ್ತಿಲ್ಲ ಅಂತ ಕಾರ್ತಿಕ್ VBF ಬಿಡ್ಬಿಡ್ತಾ ಇದ್ದೀನಿ, ನನ್ ಬಿಸ್ನೆಸ್ ಬರ್ತಿಲ್ಲ ಅಂದ್ರೆ ಇಟ್ಸ್ ನಾಟ್ ಗಣಪತಿ ಭಟ್ಸ್ ಪ್ರಾಬ್ಲಮ್, ಇಟ್ ಇಸ್ ಕಾರ್ತಿಕ್ಸ್ ಪ್ರಾಬ್ಲಮ್ ಅಲ್ವಾ?
ಕರೆಕ್ಟ್. ಇವಾಗ ಎಲ್ಲಾರು ಅಂದ್ರೆ ಸುಮಾರು ಜನ ಇಂಟ್ರೋವರ್ಟ್ಸ್ ಇರ್ತಾರೆ, ಬೇರೆಯವರೇ ಬಂದು ಅಪ್ರೋಚ್ ಮಾಡ್ಲಿ ಅಂತ ಕಾಯ್ಕೊಂಡು ಕೂತ್ಕೊಂಡವರು ಇರ್ತಾರೆ.
ಸೊ ದಟ್ ಟೈಪ್ ಆಫ್ ಪೀಪಲ್ ಹೆಂಗೋ ಇರ್ತಾರಮ್ಮ. ಸುಮಾರು ಬಿಸ್ನೆಸ್ಗಳಲ್ಲಿ ಈವನ್ if people will say some particular, there is one business association which is supposed to be the world's best business association. ಓಕೆ, 1000 ಜನ ಸೇರ್ತಾರೆ, 500 ಜನ ಬಿಡ್ತಾರೆ. ಸೇರೋ ಅವರು ಉತ್ಸಾಹದಿರುತ್ತೆ, 500 ಜನ ಯಾಕ್ರಿ ಬಿಟ್ರಿ ಅಂದ್ರೆ ನಮ್ಗೆ ಯಾವ ಕನೆಕ್ಷನ್ಸ್ ಸಿಗ್ಲಿಲ್ಲ ಅಂತಾರೆ. ಯಾರ್ದು ಮಿಸ್ಟೇಕ್ ಕನೆಕ್ಷನ್ ಸಿಗ್ಲಿಲ್ಲ ಅನ್ನೋದಕ್ಕೆ?
ನಮ್ದೇನೆ ಇರುತ್ತೆ. ನಾವ್ ಇಂಟ್ರಾಕ್ಟ್ ಹೆಂಗ್ ಮಾಡ್ತೀವಿ ಅದ್ರ ಮೇಲೆ ಹೋಗುತ್ತೆ ಅಷ್ಟೇ.
Therefore, that is what I'm using this 5 minutes presentation. Okay. And maybe whenever the VBF has its regular Saturday meeting, ಆ time ನಲ್ಲಿ ಈ presentation ಒಂದು ಟೈಮಿಂಗ್ ತಗೊಳ್ಳಿ ಈ ರವಿ ರಾಮ್ ಪ್ರಸಾದ್ ಜೈತೀರ್ಥ ಅವರೇ, so that 2-3 people can give a 5-minute presentation about their business and make an ask correctly. Now ಈ ಮಧ್ಯದಲ್ಲಿ what we have been doing is a 1 hour presentation. ಬೇಡ, don't waste 1 hour presentation. Okay, 1 hour ನಲ್ಲಿ 5 ಜನ ಮಾತಾಡ್ಲಿ. Don't give to one particular person 1 hour. ಯೂಸ್ ಆಗಲ್ಲ ಅದು. We cannot spend so much time. So if you are having a next 1 week presentation, ask 5 people to get ready. All of them, ನಾನು ಈ ಸ್ಲೈಡ್ಸ್ ಕಳಿಸ್ತಾ ಇದ್ದೀನಿ, ಈ ಸ್ಲೈಡ್ಸ್ ಪ್ರಕಾರ ಪ್ರಿಪೇರ್ ಮಾಡ್ಕೊಳ್ಳಿ and do 10 minutes presentation maximum. 1 hour ಬೇಕಾಗಿಲ್ಲ. There are people like, you know, ಅಂಬಿಕಾ ಅವ್ರದ್ದಾದ್ರೆ, ಅಂಬಿಕಾ ಅವ್ರು ಇದ್ರು ನಾನು ಹೇಳ್ತಿದ್ದೆ 1.5 hours ಬೇಕಾಗಿತ್ತ. Okay, so anyway, ಜೋಶ್ ನಲ್ಲಿ ಬೇಡ. So let us use this. Use that. ನೀವೇನ್ ಮಾಡ್ಕೊಂಡಿದ್ದೀರಾ ವಿದ್ಯಾ?
ಸರ್, ಇದು ಎಲ್ಡರ್ಸ್ ಝೋನ್ ಅಂತ ವೆಬ್ಸೈಟ್ ಇದೆ. ಸೊ ಐ ಕೇಟರ್ ಟು ಸೀನಿಯರ್ ಸಿಟಿಜನ್ಸ್ ಪ್ರಾಡಕ್ಟ್ಸ್.
ಸುನೀತಾ and Colonel Pratap and all that. Okay. Wonderful, ma. Great.
Thank you,
Sir, I have a question, sir.
ಹೇಳಿ.
It's not a question. Sir, ಇವಾಗ ಯಾವೇ ಅಸೋಸಿಯೇಷನ್ ಆದ್ರೂ people are more interested to take a business than give a references of businesses. Why is it? What kind of mindset people are like, you know, so anxious to get business, then for themselves, then also sharing or giving business to someone else.
Yes.
Why is that happening with all of us?
ಅದು ಸೈಕಾಲಜಿ ಆಫ್ ಹ್ಯೂಮನ್ ಬೀಯಿಂಗ್ ಅಷ್ಟೇ. ನಾವು ಪ್ರಸಾದಗಳು ತಗೊಳ್ಳೋವಾಗ ಲೈನ್ ಅಲ್ಲಿ ತಗೊಳ್ತೀವ, ಅಥವಾ ನಮ್ ಮುಂದೆ ಯಾರಾದ್ರೂ ಚಿಕ್ಕವರಿದ್ರೆ ನಮ್ ಕೈ ಇನ್ನೂ ಸ್ವಲ್ಪ ದೊಡ್ಡದಾಗಿ ಸಾಚ್ಬಹುದು ಅಂದ್ರೆ ನಾವು ಫಸ್ಟ್ ಹಾಕೊಂಡ್ಬಿಡ್ತೀವಿ ಅಲ್ವಾ? ನಮ್ it is our behavior. That's all. It's a human behavior that I want something for myself rather than I want to give. Therefore, what we are looking at is what is it that you want and what is who can give you that ಅನ್ನೋದು ಹೆಂಗ್ ಗೊತ್ತಾಗ್ಬೇಕು ಅನ್ನೋದನ್ನ ಪ್ರಶ್ನೆಗಳಿಲ್ಲ. And if you want, why, if you even if you're, are you asking correctly anta? If you start asking, then somebody will say, ನೀವು ಸ್ಕೂಲ್ ನಲ್ಲಿ ಓದ್ತಿದ್ದಾಗ ಯು ಮೇ ಬಿ ಆಸ್ಕಿಂಗ್ ಪೆನ್ಸಿಲ್ಸ್ ಯಾರ ಹತ್ರನೂ ಕೇಳ್ತಿದ್ದಾಗ, ನಿಮ್ ಫ್ರೆಂಡ್ ಕೇಳಿರ್ಬೋದಲ್ಲ, ಜಯಂತಿ ಯಾವಾಗ್ಲೂ ನನ್ ಪೆನ್ಸಿಲ್ ತಗೊಳ್ತೀಯ, ನಿನ್ ಪೆನ್ಸಿಲ್ ಯಾವಾಗ ಕೊಡ್ತೀಯ ಅಂತ ಕೇಳಿದ್ದಿಲ್ಲ?
ಹೌದು.
ಸೊ ನೀವ್ ಯಾವಾಗ್ಲೂ ಕೇಳ್ತಿದ್ದಾಗ ನಾಳೆ ಗಣಪತಿ ಕೇಳ್ತಾರೆ ನಿಮ್ಮನ್ನ, ನನ್ಗೂ ಒಂದು ಕನೆಕ್ಷನ್ ಕೊಡಿ ಮೇಡಮ್, ನೀವು ನಮ್ಮ ಹತ್ರ ಹೆಂಗೋ ತಗೊಳ್ತಿದ್ದೀರಾ ಅಂತ ಅಲ್ವಾ? ದೆನ್ ಅವಾಗ ನಿಮ್ಮ ಆಬ್ಲಿಗೇಷನ್ ಶುರು ಆಗುತ್ತೆ. So people, so start asking first. Let everybody ask. What Kartik's ask, maybe Ganpati's give, and Ganpati kododu Jayanti avrige requirement irbodu. Okay, keli devru kodbeku andrunu ನೀವು ಕೇಳೋದು first know what you want to ask. ನಮ್ಮ ಪ್ರಾಬ್ಲಮ್ ಏನಂದ್ರೆ ನಮ್ಗೆ ಏನ್ ಕೇಳಬೇಕು ಗೊತ್ತಿಲ್ಲ. ಓಕೆ, ಆತರ ನಮ್ಗೆ ಕುಂಭಕರ್ಣನೂ ಆಗಬಹುದು, ನಿರ್ದಯ ನಿದ್ರೆ ಆಗ್ಬಹುದು, ಆತರ
ಅಲ್ಲ. ಮೋಸ್ಟ್ಲಿ ರಿಸರ್ವೇಶನ್ಸ್ ಇರ್ಬೋದು, ಅಯ್ಯೋ ಕೇಳಿದ್ರೆ ಏನ್ ಅನ್ಕೊಳ್ತಾರೋ.
ಈ ಫೋರಂ ನಲ್ಲಿ ಯಾಕೆ ಬಂದಿರೋದು? ತಮಾಷೆ ಮಾಡೋಕಲ್ವಲ್ಲ, ಬಿಸ್ನೆಸ್ ಬೆಳೆಸೋಕೆ. We have made it business forum. Okay, and if we are not using it for the business, then you why have you? Please start putting in the business. No, ask in the business. There have been people who are asking in the business. They'll get the business. And tell about what business you are also in. Okay, if you say that I'm in this business and therefore I'm asking this, and ನಾನು ಇದರಲ್ಲಿ ಯಾರಿಗಾದ್ರೂ ಏನಾದ್ರೂ ಸಹಾಯ ಮಾಡಬೇಕು ಅಂದ್ರೆ ಮಾಡ್ತೀನಿ. That's all. People will ask.
Sir, thank you very much. Let us conclude the meeting.
Please. Namaskar.
Thank you.